Hey, good evening, good evening, good evening. How's everybody doing out there? Let's go, let's go, let's go. So if you guys were on the stream this morning, you guys probably already know I was 4 deep on that micro trade last night. I peeled 2 off. I still got 2 on. They're up $548. Trying to make it all the way down here. So it has the potential to be a fairly decent trade if we can make it down there. There is the potential, all this move up, consolidate, then whoop, rip right on up. We do have an untested point of control slightly above us as well. We have a P point down here. So we shall see. I love Take Profit Trader as well. Yeah, I'm here a little bit early this evening. Ready to go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. We're going to see what the market has in store for us tonight. Hopefully get some movement. Last night, all the movement basically happened before the stream. So you want to get financial juice and stuff pulled up. Make sure I got it situated. So we shall see. See if we can build up here a little bit. Find a couple more decent little trades, I'm hoping. All right, let's see. We do have some news coming out tomorrow morning as well. So tomorrow we get the PCE price index, Fed's preferred measure of inflation, coming out. So I get a trading view. I do want to check on the Nikkei and the HSI once they open up. And yeah. Hey, Brian, good evening. So if we come over and we look, let's looky. So tomorrow morning, 8:30 a.m., we have some news coming out. We have core PC price index, final GDP numbers, weekly unemployment claims. So, and then on Friday, we have CPI data coming out. Then the 10 o'clock news item on Fridays quite often will lead to a trend day. Could be up, could be down, could be all around. We'll find out. So we look over here at the overseas markets. Nikkei right now is down 207 points, which look at the move last night. 207 is nothing in the scheme of things. That is nothing. So it'll be interesting to see if the HSI also opens a little bit lower this evening as well. Now, if we come over and look at where are we in terms of the VWAPs, Mr. VWAP, where are we at? Keep wicking against it, trying to push back down a little bit. So we'll see. We'll see if this ceasefire holds up. There's already been a lot of threats. Hey, so I see Top Step now sent out an email. They're finally going to start charging commissions. They weren't charging commissions before with Top Step X. Done, Jim done. Welcome to the zoo. Hey, what's up? What's up? Good looking out, Chris. Smash that lucky like button if you guys haven't yet. Yeah, but all the prop firms charge commissions. I just like how originally they said no commissions, Top Step X, and then, oh yeah, it's allowing people to make too much money. We gotta pull that back a little bit. So but their commissions, to be fair, their commissions are going to be cheap. A lot cheaper than the other prop firms. At least for this moment. I'm just scrolling through social media right now, trying to see if I see anything else about the Middle East. Seeing if I see anything over there worth paying attention to this evening. The Hormuz Strait is closed again. No oil or gas tankers are moving. We can actually see crude oil is up a little bit. We need to keep an eye on that. We see crude oil continue to lift up. That could set the stage for a little bit of a pullback in our markets, which would be nice. Very nice. Bitcoin down here a little bit. Nothing major though. Took one short, got out, made a sandwich coupon. Nice. Yeah, the ceasefire is already unraveling. So we'll see. Okay, I'm just scrolling, looking. I hear a little bit of chirping going on. Are we gonna go ahead and lift up here a little bit? I'm just seeing if I missed anything over in the Middle East. Again, oil fell just on the news that the Straits were going to open. They never did. Yeah, Lucid's definitely helped out the prop space a lot. Introducing the no monthly fees. I really like that. Then you don't feel like you got to hurry up and pass, even though, let's be real about it, most of us either pass or blow up before the 30 days. So, but it's nice just knowing you don't have that pressure. Oh, that was pure garbage. They got it going down. Yeah, I don't see anything new really. I haven't seen nothing. Learn the trade side. I learned to trade with real money back before prop firms and all the different simulated accounts and whatnot. So I had to say, I think this will work. Boop. Oh, that didn't work. Hey, Bob. See you later. Hey, Bob. You streaming later tonight? Yeah, I'm just scrolling still. I'm in the doom scroll. Oh. Yeah, how's she doing, Bob? She doing all right? Hopefully she gets well. Hopefully she gets well. All right, I don't see anything else. No new news with the Middle East that I'm seeing that I didn't already know about. So I'm done with the scrolling. Hezbollah, it fired rockets at northern Israel in response to ceasefire violations. Oh, man. So because you broke the ceasefire, we're going to break it. We're going to break it. Okay, we don't have a ceasefire. Iran's already threatening not to show up to the negotiation tables, which is kind of funny. So, you know, I am kind of curious though. What did Nvidia do today? I'm sure it was up 2.32%. So really about what the market did. Nothing groundbreaking. Hey Raj, good evening. If you guys haven't yet, don't forget to smash the lucky like button. Boom, boom, boom. Let's move that over there. Do I dare take a short? Little push up. Now we got this consolidation. We are in the upper area. Yeah, I don't know if I'm feeling it though. Don't know if I'm feeling it. We do have gold down a little bit. Oil's up $2.77. Always better when you talk less. I don't know. Usually when we get big gaps, usually we don't film the same day. So today I wasn't expecting the gap to be filled. I actually really pulled back my expectations quite a bit. So thankfully. Let's see. Kind of funny. So if we look, here's essentially how this trade has played out so far. So put one on there, put on a little bit after the stream last night. This morning added one, took two off down here, and I still got two left. So the white line right here represents where my average price was when I had all four contracts on. Again, I'm still trying to play around that 800 strike price. So we shall see. Hope we can get a little pushy push down. Yeah, make more than $2 billion. Yeah, white boy, what's up? Good evening. Oh man, I just FOMO'd into this. Oh crap, you guys showing that screen. Clearly just FOMO'd into, I heard the brrr. I was already kind of thinking about shorting it. And I jump in after we're below the EMAs. That's not good. Not good. The noise got me. But we are trying to reject off the VWAP too. Push my target down by low of the day. Red line equals low of the day. Let's go. Almost wonder if I should just take it. All right, I'm going to take it. That was a FOMO entry, so I'm going to take the money off the table on that one. See if we can bounce back up here a little bit, then maybe look to get short again. Up around the EMAs. EMAs or even that center regression channel, maybe. It's at 22. That's actually kind of in the same location. Center regression channels in the same location. Country is broke. Nothing can repair it. Hey, time heals all wounds. Time heals all wounds. Let's see. There you go. I'm not in a hurry. Already fired off one trade so far on stream. I want to try to keep my trade count down. We'll see how good I do with that. As long as I can stay ahead of the game, I'll be good. 5 billion a day. Oh, wow. Be pretty nice. Hey, Paul, but they got to get some boats to go through it first. If everyone's scared to go through it, they're not going to make nothing. Nada. Yeah, I'd like to go over there myself. Wouldn't mind going to Cambodia. Go visit Thailand for a little bit. It'd be different. Oh yeah, CL's creeping up. CL now is up $3. Let's go looky. CL's trying to push on up here. All right. That's what I've heard. Cost of living is affordable everywhere except for the U.S. Yeah, arm and a leg. So we'll see. Hey, Eli, what's up? Can we get a little push? Now, on the NASDAQ, we do have a little bit of liquidity up here at 25,055, 101 contracts. What do we got down below us? Any major liquidity? I really don't see any. Going all the way down to 800, past my target, I don't see any major liquidity to the downside on the NASDAQ. I only see a little bit above us, 25,055. 1,250 bucks. Oh man, that would be amazing. Hey, my first trip down to Costa Rica, I could have bought a house on the water. You open up the back door, you're right there at the beach. I go surfing for 30 grand. Only problem is the first time I went, I had no money, so I couldn't afford it. I went back. I've seen that same area, houses in that same general area, probably 10 years later, 8 to 10 years later, almost $1 million. Oh boy. That would have been nuts. That would have been absolutely nuts. Don't forget, if you guys haven't yet, smash the lucky like button. All right, we do got an untested point of control above us too. So look, we're kind of sandwiched in between two untested point of controls. The one from today, which is definitely much closer, 25,087. Then we have the one way down here, 24,215. I don't know. I mean, if things really fall apart with the ceasefire, maybe see us go all the way back down there. We'll see if we're going to break and try to take out this session low as well. No, hey, not this time, but I almost did 2 trips ago. What was it, last trip? Either last trip or the trip before. Within the last 3 trips, I almost did. No, it wasn't last trip. I went there with my other friend. So it would have been 2 trips ago, I think. When I went there, I almost bought a piece of property. My friend was trying to get me to buy the land right by his house. And the only problem was I can't build on it. I couldn't get no power or water to it. Because it's too close to a national park or something with a national park rule or something like that. I don't know. So I said, nah, it would have been a good deal on the property, but no power or electricity. It's not going to work for me. Or no electricity, no water. That's going to be an issue. See the gap filling easily? Well, the Futures markets did not have a gap. You see right here, we had that wick, but the equity markets most certainly had gaps out there this morning. Look at the look at the SPY. SPY, massive gap up. Q's massive gap up. Russell, massive gap up. And the Dow Jones, massive gap up. But the futures markets just don't have that same gap. So we definitely want to pay attention to crude oil too. We see crude oil continue to creep up, probably leading us to believe that more and more people believe that ceasefire just is not going to work. It's not going to hold up, would be my guess. So let's see. All right, so I jumped in again. Again, not a good location. Freaking FOMO'd again. As we're coming back down to here, I want to get in near the EMAs and find myself at a poor location for an entry again. Yeah, I'm still trying to target the low of the night. See if we can get on down there. I don't really want to see pushes up. What was that? 97.62 now. I think I got about 130 on the first trade. I'm gonna take it. Take it. Here, knocking is just pausing. I'll gladly take it. Yeah, who's that knocking? I'm pretty happy so far. 2 trades, 2 wins. Let's go. Let's go. Hopefully I can keep them coming. Keep them coming. See, crude oil still trying to push up here a little bit. Still trying to push. Push. Don't forget, we are going to be doing a Perdia account giveaway tonight. So if you guys and gals do want a chance to win, don't forget to make sure you sign up to the email list down below and your email is confirmed. So once you sign up, it'll send you a confirmation email. So make sure your email is confirmed, and we're going to do a giveaway here in a little bit, probably closer to 10-ish. 5.1 minute candles. Yeah, it got spoiled. Yeah, the volatility isn't going to stay the way it is forever. Once this all blows over, we're going to be like, oh my goodness, the market never moves. Key is to be able to adjust as the volatility expands. What gets a lot of traders is they don't size down with the volatility expansion. Now, if you're already trading extremely small size, it's not as critical that you size down, but you're trading any kind of size and volatility picks up. When those trades don't work, it gets pretty ugly. Oh man, good job on that short. So the Nasdaq's holding below the VWAP a little bit better than the ES so far tonight. So if we compare the VWAPs, look at the NQ. NQ just keeps kind of, we got a little bit above it there, but wick. Then we come over and look at the ES. ES got above it, came down a little bit above it here, came back down. I feel like the Nasdaq's holding below the VWAP a little bit better. Now, if we do start getting towards, I don't know, because the low of the day will push us below that second band. Here's what I mean on the Nasdaq. So Raj is always talking about the second band. If we start getting down below here, I might want to look for a buy in most cases, but because we have that swing low there, I want to see if we take out the session swing low, and then that might be an area where I want to play a little bounce, little counter trend move on the way back up, is what I'm thinking at the moment. Probability of an agreement on Friday is almost 0. So Iran says they still want to be able to enrich uranium. US says there's no way that's going to happen. At least that's what they're telling us. You know, what's being said behind closed doors, who knows? I mean, they've been launching projectiles at one another all day. Tonight, Hezbollah already fired some rockets over at Israel at 8:40 this evening. I've never had a funded Next account, so I don't know. I've never had one. Never, ever, ever. So I can't say one way or the other. I like the pretty account I have right now, but I've never had a funded Next account, so I don't know. What do you got? Those of you that trade with funded Next, what do you guys like about funded Next? Right back to 23,500. Let's go. Oh, man. Hey, Trunks, what's up? Well, so far this evening, 2 trades, 2 wins. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Free money has destroyed the markets. Hey, Rapid, what's up? BK, good evening. Daily payouts for good firms. Daily payouts are nice. I'm hoping to get my take profit traders back to daily payouts soon. We're working back up. I did some damage last 3 weeks. So I'm crawling back up now. Crawling. Oh, trying to get a little lift here. Need a new TPT account. I'm short targeting the low volume node 915 to. Hey Jesse, I told you 500 would not get hit today or last night or today. Negative 63 number. Oh, this right here. This right here is showing how much or up or down the NASDAQ is for the night. So if we look right here, you can put that on any instrument. If we look at my watch list, look at the NASDAQ right here. Look at that number. It'll match that number to the tick. That number to that number. That's all that is. So I don't have to try to look and see where the market analyzer window is. It's a free add-on. Or not add-on, but it's a free indicator. It's called the, let me see. I think it's called net. I think it's net bar. Net change display. So it's called net change display. It's a Ninja. It's a basic indicator. So that way I can just look at the chart and see right where the NASDAQ's at. Sometimes I have windows over partial of the market analyzer window when I'm streaming. When I'm not streaming, it's not such a big deal, but I used to use it all the time when I was at work because, you know, I was trading off a laptop, so I didn't have a lot of screen real estate. Little 15-inch laptop. I had a 17-inch sometimes for a little bit. Yeah, BK, I'm still short the micros. I showed everybody the entries with it from last night and where we are right now. So you were on the stream this morning, BK. So if we actually look, here's all the trades with that micro trade. Here's the one last night I put on a stream. Here was the second one I put on a stream. Put this one on a little bit after stream. Then this morning, before I jumped on the stream this morning on the main channel, I put one on. We came down. I took 2 off. And now I'm still holding 2 more that are up $607 at the moment. So I'm trying to write it down. If these come all the way down, here's a good way to make it not work. Let me just go ahead and get a rough estimate how much money that would be. This would be a guaranteed way to get the trade not to work. 356 times 4. So if these 2 targets hit, that's gonna be about $1,400 for those 2 micros. So I really like that. Yeah, oil's trying to rise still. Oil is still trying to rise. So I like that. That's it. So if you see me up early in the live stream tomorrow morning and the NASDAQ came down, that's where a lot of that profit probably came from. So let's go look. What is oil? I see oil keeps trying to push up here a little bit. Crude oil got destroyed yesterday. Look, lowercase b as in boy shape profile. We are above value area high, which implies that we're going to revisit the upper third of the range. And we kind of have a minus development area up here. I want to map this out just to see if we do make it back up there. That'd be pretty sick. So 104.74 to 107. Yeah, common man getting penalized. Yeah, taxes got to go up to fund the deficit. We can't pay it. We still have not hit the low of the day yet. We have the P point down here at 88.83. Then I'm going to take another shot down there. So we had a 3rd attempt. This one probably won't work. Oh, crap. You guys are on the screen. This one probably won't work. Yeah, I really should be filled up here on these EMAs. I don't know why I'm not being patient tonight. Finding myself FOMOing into these trades. Move offshore. I think you can go down to Ecuador. You don't have to pay tax on currency trading. I don't know about futures. Come on, get on down there. Get it. I don't see oil going up at the moment, though. Really want to see oil going up with it. I'm going to take it. I keep getting like 130 per trade. I'll take it, but look where we're at now. This is what we talked about earlier. All right, second ban on the VWAP. But I want to see, do we come down and retest that low and then maybe look for a little bounce back up? Maybe. I'm going to add an indicator to this chart. Just so we can kind of reference. All right, so I added the current day open, high, low, close. So here we can see the low of the day right here. It's the same low price here. I can just see it a little bit better over here in case it's off screen. Now, what I haven't seen tonight, I haven't seen any trade detector bubbles over there. A little bit on the ES. I've not seen any. Let me just make sure I have that correct. Make sure I have it set to the... That's set correctly. It's set at the levels I have it at. The yellow line represents the opening price of tonight. How long I've been trading with Ninja? That's a great question. I really don't know. I can show you this though. If we look, let me see. Hopefully this doesn't mess it up. Let me see. Let me see. I can't remember what the date was. We're showing a video last night. The problem is I got rid of a lot of my old videos. Oh yeah, here's a video where I went to Costa Rica. Oh man, the video is so funny when I listen to it. So funny. Well, let's go look. I have the trade results in here. Let's look. Oh, that's one of the waves. Oh, let's see. Oh, that was at least in 2017. But at least in 2017, I was there. I had pretty decent stats that trip too. So on vacation, 72% win loss, only 11 trades, profit factor 5.43, total money $4,200. Let's go. Way back then. So at least 2017, maybe it was 16. I don't know. So, nah, I don't want to share. It's funny. It goes, in today's video, we're going to talk about. Here, you guys want to hear it? I'll let you hear a little piece of it. Oh boy. I'm going to turn my speaker up. I'll put the mic towards it. I don't know. Video. Oh yeah. I'm gonna show you guys. Hey, so watch. I'll put the mic towards the speaker so you guys can hear it. Oh, this is funny. In this week's video, I'm going to show you guys how I was able to generate enough. Oh man, that's funny. That's too funny. Uh-oh. There we go. Oh, that's funny. Funny. Oh, the good old days. AI wasn't around like that back in 2017. Oh man. Maybe this is AI. Maybe this is the AI version of me. I used to get so nervous just talking on the microphone. Now I don't really care. It is what it is. Really don't care. But yeah, we took out the lows again. All right, a little low. I would have loved to see a trade detector bubble down here. We are down at the second band. The ES kissed right off that second band, basically, and we'll see if we just keep on melting down. Crude oil is up $3.39. So crude oil is still trying to push up here a little bit. Yeah, I don't really care anymore. Like, it is what it is. If people don't like it, is what it is. Does not bother me. And the funny thing was, nobody would even watch my videos back then, so I don't even know why I cared. Oh man. Which, hold on, let's see how many views that video have. I had it not in private for a long time. Let's see. Let's see what the total views was. Since uploaded. 277 views. And I had it uploaded from 2017 until I don't know when I unlisted it. I don't remember. I don't know when it was, but pretty funny. What do I have the bubble set to? On the NASDAQ at night, I haven't set it at 40. ES is at 50 at night. New York session, I bumped the NASDAQ to 50, and I've been running the ES at 125, but usually anywhere from 100 to 150. Red Sea part tonight and tomorrow. Eric, now the average view. Oh, I think Jesse wants to come on. Is here, I'll show you tonight's video. So the video has been out 4 hours, has 3,000 views on it. So usually the nightly video is somewhere between 3 to 5,000 views. Last night's video didn't do so good. Well, let's see if we can get Jesse on video. Let's see, is he already in? No, he's not in there yet. So, but I think this time of year, my videos normally do better. So, all right, new lows again. And again, I'm really favoring more of the downside. Hence, I'm not taking off my micros. I'm not going anywhere. They have to come down and get my target. Hopefully. Now, today, I was almost going to take them off on the live stream today. If I would have seen 1,000, I probably would have taken them off. I only saw like 970 or something like that. I was like, nah, I don't want to get off. I don't want to take it off for that, which I should have. Because then I could have just got back in when we came right back up. Well, we came back up to where the average price was. I could have did it all over again. But coulda, woulda, shoulda. Is what it is. All right, let me see. All right, Jesse, hold on one second. Let me, let's see if we can get Mr. Jesse on the mic. I gotta remember to do this correctly. All right, guys and gals, here's Jesse. Bam. All right, you're live. I think I am. Yeah, let's go. Why you're here early tonight? Oh, you're off work tomorrow too. Oh man. Oh, let's make sure I don't have you muted. All right, now you guys can hear him. Now you can hear him.
That was one heck of a grand entrance.
Yeah, you guys missed it. Oh, no, they heard me. They just didn't hear you. So here's Jesse. And Jesse's like, oh, man, quiet.
I do sound a little bit quieter than you. Let me turn my mic up a little bit. If I can remember how.
Oh, hey, you are.
Why is it? Not sure why it does that sometimes.
I can turn it up on my end a little bit too, because.
Yeah, you want to just do it on your end? It's probably easier.
All right. Keep going.
Crank me up.
All right, you should be good. I think we should be about the same, I think.
All right.
I think.
What's up, everybody? Hey, man. I'm just going to say hi to everybody because I can't. There's a lot of hellos there. What's up, everybody?
Hi, everybody.
Ooh, nice little pullback. Nice little bounce here to the 23.6. I'm going to take a short. Thank you very much.
Forget your 23.6.
That's Mike's favorite fib level.
Hate that thing. I do not take trades off of it. I will not do it. I don't care if it makes me millions. I will not, just in spite.
Hey, I'm glad I saw you taking your profits on those trades, man, because you've been the last few days like trying to hold out for bigger moves, and so.
Hey, happy kids
job.
Trades.
Ooh,
oh, thank you. Thank you.
There we go. Come on, push the low. Push the low.
Well, I was a little bit nervous because I don't want to get behind the ball. Do not want to get behind the ball.
Come on, push it. My target's at 990. My trailer is gonna kick in though because I'm using it.
It should break the low again.
I'm hoping.
Oil's up 357. Oh, we gotta keep checking the.
Are fake prop firms fake? Probably.
Fake prop firms fake. Fake prop firms fake. I don't know. Are real prop firms real?
Uh,
I don't know.
it's all in the imagination.
I was almost going to say all the prop firms I trade with, I've been paid out from, but I still have not taken a payout from Lucid, even though it says I can request my payout. I still have not taken it.
You're just trying to stack it up.
Ever since I said I'm going to build the buffer, that's when everything said, "Oh yeah, you want to build the buffer?" almost blew it up 3 times after I made that comment. I've almost blown it up 3 times and come back. I'm almost back to my full drawdown too.
I know you're doing great, dude.
Yeah, not last 2 days I didn't really do a whole lot, but
hey, protecting the capital is a huge accomplishment compared to me. All right.
Yeah, but I mean, at least I didn't blow them up. I was so confident I was gonna blow them up. I bought 5 new Lucid accounts just in case I blew up. And now, but I mean, I want to switch out the 50Ks, 150Ks anyway. So.
Oh shoot! I was gonna say you could just email them and transfer those accounts over to.
I've already been trading them. I just been picking at them a little bit here, a little bit there. So I've had to take profit trader accounts since September or something.
Yeah, Sods agrees with me, Mike. You've been doing great, my friend, my dude. Yeah,
I'm a little disappointed, but
well,
it's like if you start focusing on, I want to make X amount, I feel like that's when you're done. It gets toasted. Instead of just saying, hey, I want to get green for the day. Green for the day, I tend to do a lot better when I don't focus on, ooh, I want to get a payout by this date. If I ever say that, I'm screwed. Here comes the drawdown every single time.
Mm-hmm.
Just like when we're about to pass the eval, like, oh, I only need a couple more dollars, blow up. I hate that. I hate knowing when I'm that close to passing. I feel like that's when I'm gonna make the most mistakes.
Option Man says oil to the moon. Yeah, hopefully that'll help my short here on the NQ.
It is going up. We're getting a little bit stretched away from the view app, but it is pushing up. Oil's made it to 98.23, 98.23.
Oh, I didn't see these giant bubbles down here. Oh boy, I ought to get out of this.
I don't have it on mine. I think it's gonna break, but I will say that the delta has decreased as we've been pushing down. If you look down here at the delta, at least on my chart, over here you can see the delta is not going down as much as we were pushing new lows. But I do think that I still think the low is gonna break, but I prefer to see delta, still climbing or at least be equal.
We got some big green bubbles down here, 2 of them. I think I'm gonna close. I'm up $125. I think 130. Oh gosh, it's tempting me to just close it. Am I getting too greedy?
Greedy become the needy. No, I think it's gonna break.
Stay broke says the low is in. Ooh, I don't know.
That's not in. We're gonna break it.
I'm still on the team of we're gonna go down and visit 500.
Hey, so my MNQ short is still right here. I ended up with 4 contracts. I took 2 off.
Okay, I closed it at 140. I'm out.
It's gonna break. It's gonna break now.
Yeah, it's okay. It's all right. I heard buyers and I got nervous.
There's the 2 entries last night. Entered 1 more after the stream. Entered 1 before the stream this morning. Took 2 off, and currently up $681 on the last 2 contracts. So
sweet.
If it goes down here, I calculated out it'd be about $1,400 if it goes down there. That'd be a great wake up in the morning.
Heck yeah. Or it might happen tonight if we get some bad news.
I don't know. Well, I don't want to be crazy with it.
Option Man, Jesse, I was on you're probably talking about Bob's channel. I have my own channel, but I don't really stream on it. So you're probably talking about Bob. But yeah, good to see you again. Sods, there you go. Yeah, so I've had 2 trades. I'm up 337 on the night. 337 times 5 TPT evals.
How much are you up?
337.
Like 3,000 or 300?
No, 337.
Oh, all right, good job. I was like, man, I need to get that cataprong out because you're probably trading way too aggressive.
If you're
up 3 grand, I was like,
no.
I was gonna zap you.
2 small trades. The ATRs are pretty small. The market's not really moving, so.
Yeah, I wanted to zap you too. I really think that'd be a blast. At least for me, if I'm doing the zapping.
I'll have to wear some metal armor so that when you zap me, it actually travels right back up the thing and zaps you. Oh, there's a third buying bubble down here now. Oh boy.
Oh wow.
What's up? What you got?
Pool might be filled up before we get off stream. There you go. I told you I thought we were gonna break.
I should have held that. That's okay.
Hey, but if you would have held it, it would have been a big rocket ship on the way up.
Yeah, exactly.
Oil's up almost $4.
Yep, oil is ripping.
Hey, Atomic wants you to explain the ATR bands again.
Oh, I know. It's easy to get lost on those, Atomic, because they're pretty complicated. So what's the easiest way to explain this? All right, so you guys know I trade a Renko chart. So I trade a 12.6. It's about twice the size of Mike's bars that you're looking at.
Hey, is that like a short joke?
But mine's twice the size of his, guys, okay? But the problem with that is, and I have like kind of limited screen space, right? So the problem with that is I want to see what's going on the bigger time frame. So like the 5 minute, for example. So what I do,
I see 5 minute up there.
Yeah. So I wrote a indicator that tracks the average lows of the 5 minute chart and the average highs of the 5 minute chart, and then it plots some ATR bands, one ATR above and one and two ATRs above, 1 and 2 ATRs below the 5 minute chart, but it plots it on my Ninja Renko chart, if that makes sense. Just so I can kind of see what range we're playing in, right? Because the Renko chart can be a little misleading, right? You get all these little it's ripping up and down, it's moving all over. I want to know, where are we in the bigger picture of things, which, the 5 minute chart is still not a big picture, but
where are we now in relation to your bands? Because we're at the third deviation band on VWAP.
Yeah, we just broke through the lower ATR number 1, just broke out the bottom of it and trying to kind of bounce up in there.
Now, does it go to, how many bands do you have? 2 or 3 or
2? I only have 2.
And does it go to the second band quite often, or?
Not as often as, like, if it's going to the second bands, it's kind of a sign to me that I probably shouldn't be trading because the market is unpredictable right now. So, but it does. I mean, it gets down to the second band and up to the second band often, but that's usually a breakout, right? It's a breakout out of the standard range that we're trading in.
Yeah, I think NQ is oversold too, Raj.
Yeah, it just rejected off the bottom of the ATR band.
I feel like we have a tight range compared to last night. Last night we already had a 700 point range or something, and tonight we're up to a whopping 84 point range.
Yeah. And to make it more complicated, Atomic. So the reason why it's not just a line and it's a band, right? How do you get a band? Well, a band is a range. So the reason mine's a band is because I also track the median price on the 5 minute. And so the band is formed by the median price minus 1 ATR, and then the average lows minus 1 ATR. And the area between those two values is the band. Does that make sense?
Sounds like a lot.
It's complicated, but when it's plotted on the chart, it's pretty easy to watch it and play trades in and out of those areas. So
when you explain it, it's like there's a lot there. I always hear you just talk about the ATR bands. I have it in my head roughly what you're trying to do, but there's a lot that goes into it.
Yeah.
Hey, so would you say that's your bread and butter strategy?
For the entry zones, yes, but I still rely on, volume and delta for the actual entries.
Oh, so that's your location on the chart.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then also, I a big part of my trading is the regression channel too.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that.
So right now it's tilted down. I run my regression channels a 400 period, so they're pretty long. So they're descending right now. So I wouldn't really be taking longs. I kind of use them as a filter. So
yeah, my 1 on the 1 minute's descending too.
yeah. So I'll wait for a pull or a bounce up to the, the 23.6, and then I'll take a short in these instances.
I don't know. I kind of want to play a bounce, but then I don't. I don't really want to go against my micro trade. It's up almost 700. So.
Yeah, I mean, maybe peel another. How many you have on there? 2?
Yeah, just 2.
I
was hoping as we go back up. I almost put 2 of them back on this afternoon. I was like, I'll wait a little bit. I thought about it and then I never did it.
Okay, so Atomic says the ATR bands that you have is 6 different time zones. Hey, I mean, it accomplishes the same thing. The bottom line for me is that I trade on a real small time scale. The Renko bars that I use are pretty small. I need to be able to see what's happening around me, right? So if I'm going to take a scalp, I want to make sure I'm scalping towards the area that we're potentially going to. So,
hey, Atomic, I have a period of 55 and a width of 3.
So that's 3. The standard deviation is 3 standard deviations away from the mean of 55 minutes is how you've got that set up. That's what that translates to. I mean, that makes sense for a 1 minute. Now, with all my ATR stuff and regression stuff, I'm trying to get it at a half an hour, so 30 minutes instead of your 55 minutes.
Yeah. Hey, Atomic, no worries. I mean, we haven't I've taken 2, maybe 3 trades a day.
Yeah, the questions. Far? That's why we're here. Is the questions. That's the whole point.
Take trades in between.
Okay, we just bounced to the 23.6.
Forget your 23.6.
Do I dare go short again? I don't know. We had a big old buying bubble down there. Holy smokes! You're not getting any of those?
No, I don't think I've had one on the Nasdaq tonight.
Hold on, let me see. Well, remember, I'm on smaller Renko bars, so I have my volume set lower. Let's see what mine's set to.
I mean, oh yeah.
Trade detector.
I haven't had none yet.
Maximum or minimum volume. Oh, I've got mine set to 15. That's why.
Oh yeah, you probably get a lot more than I do.
But these are small bars though, so it kind of, I could probably up it a little bit, but
I'd like to see just a quick flush right on down. Oh man, make me so happy.
Oh, I should have taken that short. Darn it. It's trying to go down.
Hey, so something to think about. I don't know if you saw my video this evening, Jesse.
But
we have this minus development area here. And also, if we were to pull a fib from the low of yesterday, the high of today, we have a 38% retracement right around the top of that minus development area. And we have right here, A to B equals C to D pattern. And that ABC pattern completes at 820. So we kind of have this whole area down here where I think the market's going to try to work its way down towards.
Speaking of that minus development area, you missed the joke in my comment earlier.
I probably did. I didn't see it in the comment.
Yeah, because I was like, look where you have your zone drawn out.
Yeah.
You're calling that your minus development area, but really that whole
it is.
900 to 500 is a minus development area.
But I mean, you can see a little bit more if I were to expand the width of this out. You can see it a little bit more right up in there.
I was like, I'm targeting 900 to 500 minus development area.
I know. Yeah, I mean, it truly is. It's also like a P as in Paul shaped profile. So we get below value or low, there's a high probability we go to a lower third of the range.
Yeah.
So we'll see if that does happens tomorrow or not. Volume can be engineered. But again, I feel good. I don't feel like I have to place a trade. I've already done, I think, 3 trades tonight. 3 trades so far tonight. All winners. I don't feel like, I got to hurry up and trade, which I like. I like being in this state instead of, I got to get it back. And then you start chasing your tail, trying to get it back. And then it's like, dang it. Should have just stopped.
Hey, Brian. Yeah, you could do it that way. But since I know how to code a little bit, and ChatGPT is pretty helpful, I just made my own indicator, so I don't have to add. The problem when you start adding second data series, especially 5-minute, it puts big gaps in your Renko bars. So even if you make it transparent and hide it, it messes with the chart. So that's all right. But you could do it that way too if you can't convince ChatGPT to give you the right code. But also keep in mind that the standard ATR bands that are floating around out there for different platforms, those are calculated off the median price. And I wanted a version of the bands that are calculated off the lows and the highs. So that's why I customized it.
Oh, hey, Rapid, I appreciate that. I mean, if I wasn't on stream, I'd be trading anyways, so. Surely the only thing different I'm not doing is I'm not sitting back watching YouTube trading. Or talking on the phone. Hey, Brian says you can plot the data series to a second panel, then hide it from yourself.
Yeah, I mean that's another way to do it too. Rapid, I wasn't able to listen completely to your explanation of your trading strategy and how you use ATR. So the ATR is not really part of the strategy. Oh, I guess it kind of is.
It is.
Yeah.
So ATR is. Oh, go ahead. I'll let you explain.
Yeah. So Rapid, to break it down and make it even more simple, what I do is I look at the average lows of the 5-minute data series, and then I plot on my Renko chart 1 and 2 ATRs above the lows. Okay, and those are my upper bands, 1 and 2. And then separately, I track the average highs of the 5-minute data series, and I plot 1 and 2 ATRs down below, and those are my lower ATR bands. And those are kind of my areas of interest, right? If I'm taking trades in the middle, they better be short scalps because we're going to one of those areas, right? That's where the market's been ranging in between those two zones. And I should say that this works when the market's range bound. It doesn't work that well when we're just ripping in one direction. So
I really wish I would have taken that trade on the NASDAQ. Look, we're bouncing right off those bands down there.
Yeah.
Off the VWAP. Wish I would have
we
taken
bounced right out of that lower ATR band too. So, and I had that gigantic, that's the biggest green bubble from the NinjaTrader trade detector I've ever seen in my life. I should share my screen so you can see it.
I can share it.
Let me do this. Hold on. It's huge. That's what she said. There you go.
All right, you ready?
Yep.
Bam.
I think. Yeah. You guys see my screen?
I don't see the bubble though.
Yeah, that big green one down there at the bottom, and then we ripped up out of there. So we drifted down into the ATR band, broke out the bottom of it a tad bit, and then big old green bubble and ripped up. Yeah, I'd be looking for a short. We're almost there. It almost got to, like, let me move my mouse over here. So this area, this is the upper band, number one ATR. So this is 1 ATR above the average low on the 5-minute, okay? So I'd like to see us tap that. And then I'd also like to see some kind of volume or delta come into the short side. It looks like I'm going to miss the opportunity. It didn't quite get up there. Darn it. So that would have been my A+ setup. We get up in here, and then on Bookmap I see here, let me show that too. So here's my Bookmap stuff. So I'm looking for the volume pressure, which are these two. What would you call these? I don't know what you call these.
I have no idea.
Anyways, the scale of buyers to sellers on the volume pressure. So I like to see the sellers spike up when we're in one of my areas of interest. So it just happened a little early there. So I missed it. Mine are not a straight line. Mine are bands. So they're kind of, well, you might have a hard time seeing them. No, they show up on the stream. I'm glancing over at it. So way up here is upper ATR 2. This band here is upper ATR 1. They're kind of golden in color, I guess.
There's your bands. All right. I was looking at the wrong thing.
Yeah.
I see them now. Okay.
Yeah. Yep. The pink lines, if you're referring to the straight lines, these pink lines are just the those are a shorter time frame. Also 5-minute base, but they exclude the wicks. So this is the average high of the candle bodies on the 5-minute and the average low and then the median price. So excluding any wicks, which, you know, I kind of consider those to be like stop runs or downward pressure or upward pressure, the wicks, right? So that's what those pink lines are. And then, of course, the linear regression channel is the red and gray and blue lines. Clearly, we're in a descending trend right now. So that would have been a nice short, but it just came a little too early. My perfect entry would have been up in this band.
They asked if you could mention the price level. They said the chart's a little bit unclear. Hey, you might want to check your settings on YouTube. Make sure you have it set to 1080p. On the little cogwheel on YouTube, select that, make sure it's at 1080p, and you should be able to see it pretty clear.
Oh, we're in 1080p? I thought we were streaming in 2K.
Oh, maybe it is.
No, it's not.
Oh,
it's
no.
1080.
Yeah, YouTube was set up for 1080.
Yeah, I got you.
I forgot I did that.
Wait, I'm sorry. What was somebody asking?
I was trying to stop it from lagging. They want to see if you can share the levels.
Oh, price levels?
Yeah.
Okay, well, I was hoping for it to push up to roughly 25.12 right up here, this upper band. If it tapped that and then I saw the sellers kick in, boy, I would have smacked that short for sure.
I'm thinking about it. A little bit late to the party at this point, but really want to smack it. Smack it.
I guess also I could probably, I got some stuff over. I'm testing some things. These pink boxes are fib levels and stuff like that. So it's kind of overlapping my buy and sell pressure percentages here, but I'll clean that up next time.
Speaking of fibs, now you guys might want to pay attention to this fib real quick. I'm going to show my screen real quick. So on the 4-hour chart, you can pull a fib of basically the move from yesterday. 757 is a 38% retracement. If we only come down to there, and then we reject, that could be a large ABC pattern right back up. I think this is a logical target, especially if we can clear this distribution area of the weekly profile. I think we have a shot. And that would be good for my micro trades too. Raj says, NQ, let's get to 25,012.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. That's where the upper ATR band's at. And that short didn't really go too far. I mean, it would have been a nice scalp, but let's see if we can get back up there.
Brian wants to know what the 23.6 is.
It's an inside joke with me and Mike because 23.6% is actually a minor Fibonacci retracement level, but Mike doesn't like it or use it. And so I made it a point to actually plot it on my chart.
Hey, Tomic, I haven't got an email from you yet. I'll keep looking. Let's see, refresh.
Trying to push up a little bit here.
A little bit.
Oh, Brian, that's why.
Yeah. Give me a hard time.
Hey, I agree. I don't want to butcher the name. Mig. I'll just say Mig. Mr. Nunez. I agree because if you're in, here's what I found. In a ranging market, it doesn't really do nothing, right? Because you're ranging up and down all through the whole small fib levels thing. But if we're like ripping up all day or flushing all day, the little pullbacks you get are right to that friggin' 23.6 every time. That's when I like it. Maybe not every time, but you know what I mean. The little opportunities it gives you. Let's see. They're going to push. I'd like to see him push it up to that ATR band and then give me some kind of short signal. Good on trend days. That's what I meant, Robert. Robert speaks English. I don't.
Hey, so
It's good on trend days. There you go.
you want to know why I don't like it, Jesse?
Why?
Remember, I said I used to draw out all the Fibonacci patterns by hand.
Oh, and that would give you way too many to draw.
No pattern uses the 23.6. At least
At
least not the ones I traded.
Yeah, no, you're right.
I'd always get mad. It wouldn't get to at least a 38. Son of a B. I get mad.
Yeah. No, you're right. I mean, those bigger patterns that you're talking about, they rely on bigger retracements and bigger extensions. So I'm just talking about scalping on trend days. It's a good level.
That's just the reason why I just don't like it, because of that. But
boy, okay, so it just pushed up here. Oh, I just got my oh shoot, big old buy bubble at the top too.
Are you in it?
I'm late. I'm gonna go try it. I'm gonna try it.
Oh man, I'm gonna show you your screen so we can see.
I'm gonna try it.
Let me
push. Yeah, go ahead.
I'll see Jesse's trade.
I'm a little scared though.
That keeps me at bay.
I was super late. You guys see that big green bubble right there too?
I do. That should be good. You're short, right?
Yeah, because
like
that's a bunch of buyers.
Yeah, but if you see it after already a move up, I like that.
Yeah, I like it too. Look at the red bubble. Oh, smokes. What's happening?
That's a good location for the red bubble. You should be good.
I was late to that trade though, darn it. All right, let's see what happens here. I'm gonna target this fib level right here.
What level is that?
It's the 38. For the retracement, it's the 60 whatever.
61.8.
Yeah. So on this push up, that's 68. But it's also the 30. It would have been a bounce of
38.2.
Yeah, it's both levels because I'm drawing them up and drawing them down.
Gotcha.
And the math just happens to be the same for both sides.
And what price is that for your target so I can see on my screen?
$9.95.
Oh, nice. So we have to break below my 200.
Yeah, I don't know if it's gonna go. I think we just it just came down exactly to this friggin' 23, the 23.6, and then now it's bouncing back up. Damn it.
Hey, I know what you have to do. So go re-edit the code, take out the 23.6, and it'll just keep dropping. It won't see it. It won't be on your chart, so it won't know to bounce.
It won't. Yeah, I won't see my bounce line.
I remember at work, my friend used to say, "Oh, it's gonna stop because look, I got my moving average right there." I was like, "They don't care about that line. Market's gonna do what it's gonna do." All right, have a good night. All hail the market makers. Oh man.
Yes, Atomic. Yes. Not just the ATR band touch. I don't trade off that alone, right? I got to see. So what happened there is we got that big giant green bubble, and you guys can't hear my sounds and see my book map stuff. Actually, I'll bring it over. But also the sellers kicked in real heavy right there. Now I got a late entry because I was messing around, but should have been in up a little higher, and then that would have been a nice little scalp down to the 23.6. Which is that little sliver of pink right there. They're fighting it. I mean, if it gives me if it comes back down there again, I'm getting out. I'm just gonna close it.
VK is down 400 now.
Is it?
Yeah, HSI. Oh, it's open. It's up. It's down 230. It actually gapped down a little bit.
Dang! Look at those two bubbles.
Can they bust it? Oops.
Can you share the script to the custom indicator? I mean, I don't have a problem doing that. I just don't have a way to do it. Because you can't
post on YouTube.
Yeah, you can't post it. It's huge. And you can't email it because the email system will reject it because of all the code language. They'll think you're trying to hack something. So I'm not sure how to accomplish that. But there's other ways to I mean, essentially, you can just ask ChatGPT to make you a NinjaTrader indicator that plots 1 and 2 ATR bands of the 5-minute from the low, up from the lows and down from the highs.
I think you're gonna be good.
Yeah, let's see. Come on. Come on. Do we have any stacked imbalances or anything on the footprint?
On the ES, we broke through some. We're trying to form some right here on the ES.
Oh, I should get out. I should get out for 120.
That's not your target yet. Come on. No guts, no glory.
I'm a sissy lala.
I think you're good. I think you're good.
I think I'm on a really small
Hey, just listen to the sound. When is your trails kick in?
It's gonna. There it is. It just kicked in.
Yeah, so let it do its thing.
Yeah.
There you go. Did you get target or did you get stopped?
No, I got stopped.
That's all right. How much you make on it?
I don't know, 150 or something like that.
There you go.
I wasn't paying attention, but there you go. That was the trade with the trade detector bubble, the sellers kicking in on the ATR band touch up here. So there we go. That's my A+ setup. That's what I trade pretty much every day.
Hey, futuristic, we're trading the NQ and the ES. Yeah, I'm going to show something real quick. I want to put the footprint chart up, Jesse, so I switch back. So if you guys look right over here, here's what I was talking about when Jesse asked about imbalances. Look, we had the buy imbalances on this candle here. Then look, we flipped it right here. Kind of went sideways, and we had sell imbalances start to kick in again. Trying to push away from that level. If we scroll back and look down here at the low, look, we had sell imbalances right there. Pull back. Then on this candle, we have a hidden gap and less delta as we made a new low. As we started getting back above this candle here, we started getting more buy imbalances there, and we kind of held. And then whoop, nice little pop up, and then starting to roll over a little bit.
Nice.
So, I like.
By the way, those trade bubbles you guys saw on my chart, that's included with your order flow plus stuff. If you trade with one of the what do they call it, Ninja or Trade of 8 prop? Yeah,
Insurer prop.
So, yeah, you can just add that. It's built right into Ninja. It's free, and you can set it up however you want. Mine's set to a volume of 15 at night.
I can get him a video for it.
Yeah. Now Mike runs it on like time-based bars, so he runs higher settings than I do. My bars are really small. They're 12 ticks. Rapid, congratulations on that. Although I don't recommend you follow my trade, you probably get run over.
I feel like following anybody's trades, you get run over.
Yeah.
All right, there's a link.
My trading is strictly for entertainment.
Entertainment and account blowups.
Exactly.
A nice little bounce right back up.
Yeah, nice little bounce.
Hey, we hit 95. What was your target originally? 90 something. You remember what it was?
95 was my target. Yeah, it did go there, but it took me out. My trailer took me out before we went there, though.
It hit 94 and a quarter.
Yeah, my target was the 68% retracement of that move, and it hit it.
Yeah, we're starting to get now above the upper regression channel.
Yeah, we're up there in the band again, so I'm looking for a setup. And VWAP's right there too. This is another A+ if it happens. I'm waiting. And this is going to be a bigger ATM too. Let me bump it up to a 400.
Oh, there's VWAP right there.
Yeah, we touched it. I'm waiting for sellers.
Yes, I'm almost at VWAP.
Give me some sellers. There's the sellers. I'm in short. Let's go.
Oh boy.
Let's go.
Chirping is Bookmap. It's correlated with the ES and NASDAQ. When it gets above 81, you'll hear a chirping noise. Below 81, negative 81. You hear a knocking noise at the pace and the orders hitting the tape.
It's funny because this is yeah, go ahead. As far as location, this is an A+ setup for me, but it's risky because of the aggression of that move, right? It could keep going. That was a pretty aggressive buy.
I see a little ABC pattern on your chart.
Yep.
This eyeball, and I see.
So this is this pink box right here where I've got my target. In fact, let me put it right in the middle of that. That is a 68% retracement based on the 5-minute stuff. So let's see if we get there.
The ABC target's probably 25,027.
Raphael, no, got a duck race coming up here soon.
Oh yeah.
Got to get those likes up.
when
Get those likes to 200, right, Mike?
50K EOD 200. We're not even at 100 yet. Yeah,
We got 210 people here. We should be able to hit it. Let's go.
Gotta
Guys.
get 200 likes in the next 8 minutes.
Come on, let's go. Flush, baby. Now, I'm a little worried about this pink line right here because this is the average.
Well, it's kind of
high
a structural
5
breakout
minute.
point, too.
Yeah.
You look, it's right in that same area.
Yep.
Looking at your chart.
And it's where that green bubble is, too. So I may get nervous and kill it if it drops to there. So don't shoot me if I do that, guys.
It'll zap you.
In fact, I'll probably close it there, and then it'll flush all the way down here, right? That's how it always works.
I'm gonna zap you. Can't wait.
Come on. I have the $400 trail on this one too, so it'll kick in at 80% of $400.
80%.
Yeah, so see the ATR is saying to use my $400 ATR or ATM because the ATR right now is $467. You guys see that? Well, let me move my target. You can see it right there.
Yeah, I can't read it.
So I set my ATM over on my entry chart to the $400 one, which means I'm looking for 80% of that $400.
Hey, Atomic, I just looked. I still can't see it. But it's probably gonna take 20 minutes before I see it. If you did to the email, I think you did. Unless I go through and log in the back way, but actually I'll just go do that. Jesse has his screen up anyway, so I'll do that.
Come on. Just flush down there. I think it's getting ready for another rip. Don't you do it. Feels like it wants to go up.
You sent it from the email from the giveaway. That's weird. I didn't see it. Yeah, I'm gonna check the other way too.
Yeah, Raj, I agree. Yeah, it looks like it's gonna go. Damn it. They caught me. That's all right. You win some, you lose some.
Yeah, losing is a part of trading.
But I agree with you. It's probably going to 37. If it breaks out of this band, it's going up to 37. If you look, the ATR number 2 band is up there too.
Oh, hey, Atomic, I got your email.
So anyways, if this gives me a graceful exit, I'm just going to close it. All right. If it gives me a break even, I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it. I promise you, NQ, I'm going to close you.
All right. I don't know, man. I'm thinking about smacking it.
Yeah,
Like the delta's getting less and less.
Yeah, but it's feeling like it wants to go up for sure. Yeah, it wants that opening price. That's all right. I'm okay with that entry because that was an A+ setup for sure in the ATR bands, in the regression channel.
I don't know.
And we got the seller stepping in. Got that
I'm short.
bubble.
I'm short.
You're short? Oh boy.
Yeah.
And it was VWAP. I mean,
we're kind of trying to spike right above VWAP, come back down. I'm only gonna look for like 5 points. I'm not looking for a lot. I figure you're already in pain, so it's probably a good spot.
Yeah. I'm gonna move my target up to the 23.6. How about that?
I'm trying to get out of 17 right now.
But now my risk to reward on this looks like crap.
Hey, where's that 23.6? What price?
Oh, roughly. Let me move this. Roughly 12. It's at 12.
Oh yeah, I'll be out way before that. I'm gonna front run you. Uh-oh.
Yeah, uh-oh. If we're both short, you know what's going to happen.
Yeah, I'm in right now. I shorted.
Hey, where's your stop? Mine's at 27.
What's a stop? Nobody's watching. I don't have a stop. No, my stop's at 32.
Somebody was asking about. Yeah, I used to hang out with Bob over there. Who was asking about that?
Hey, and I got Atomic's email. He sent
Joe
me a
and Jody.
screenshot.
Oh, you got it? Yeah, all right.
So I'll show that after we're out of this trade.
What's up, Joe and Jody? That's a familiar name.
Why am I not seeing that?
Oh, they just tagged my friggin'. I wasn't paying attention. Remember I said I was going to close it at break even? I just had that opportunity, darn
Oh,
it.
it's still going down. We're good.
We're good?
I'm good.
Famous last words.
I can still get out in the money. I can still get out in the money.
Jeez.
Not a whole lot, but. Uh-oh.
Pretty slow tonight, darn it.
Yeah. I mean, we had a lot of excitement last night. So, oh, there we go.
Yeah.
Come on. Come on. We're almost there. I need one more point, baby.
Problem is we got 19 20 contracts. Yeah, we got buyers right below us right here. Darn, man. They're trying to push it up.
Well, as long as they fail, I'm good.
We got 100 contracts for sale up at 55.
Yeah, that was there earlier on the stream too.
Yeah.
I was a little bit concerned with that, and then we actually came down away from it. Now I was up $90 on that trade.
I'm down 70 on it at the moment.
I'm still up. Well, I was up. Now I'm even. There's no ceasefire. Oil's trying to come down here a little bit. Man, I should have got out when it's at 90.
Uh-huh. I should have got out at break even like I said I was going to do. It's going to tag me. Oh, man.
Hopefully it pulls back here. I don't know. 25,055, that liquidity. Kind of makes me think it's going to go up there. Come on, just a quick flush.
I'm hoping for a scratch.
All right,
I'd be happy with it.
I need a Trump tweet right now. We're going to obliterate everything. Yeah, CL's on the way down. Yeah, CL's at 96.
Oh, yeah. I didn't see that. It's dropping hard. Dang.
I've seen the price. I haven't looked at the chart yet. Too busy focused on the trade.
The chart's pretty nuts.
Let's see if I can peek at that real quick.
There. It stopped me.
It got me.
Damn.
I got stopped out of that one.
All right, so now I'm only up 290 on the night. 287. Well, 292 on some of the accounts.
That was a pretty good little smacking. Oh, hey, I'm going to show you Atomic's picture.
Oh yeah, let's check it out.
So, oops, Atomic sent this over. So here's his ATR bands. It said they're all like wiggling around, unlike yours.
No, mine do that too.
Yours do?
Yep, mine are all over the place. Look how jagged mine are, Atomic.
Oh, let's go back and look at Jesse. So here's Atomic's, and here's Jesse's. Oh yeah, yours are. Oh, but I think because yours are shaded in between, he just has the lines.
Look how jagged these are, right? Because they update every 5 minutes. So
I think that's the difference, though.
Yeah.
Like you don't show the actual band. Like you have the shaded area, and he has all the different lines.
Yeah, I've got the lines set to transparent, and then I'm just drawing, shading in the area between them. So that's how mine's set up. But mine's jaggy and all over the place too. But that's realistic. That's what the ATRs are on the 5 minute chart. So
Interesting.
But again, I don't use it for precise exits and entries. None of that. I don't exit at those levels or enter at those levels. It's just the areas of interest, right? I want to make sure I'm doing the right thing around those levels. And yeah, so it doesn't really matter which ATR or platform you're on, or which indicator or platform you're on. If you're looking at some kind of ATR, if you're trading a smaller bar, that's important, I think, to kind of have a feel for the range that we're trading in at the moment. So, for example, like, I definitely wouldn't be looking to go long up here. We're already in the, we're a full ATR above the average lows on the 5-minute chart. So
Yeah, we're at the upper band.
yeah,
Or the upper
exactly.
regression channel. Upper regression channel on the 1 minute.
Yeah. So if I wanted to be getting long, I got to wait for some kind of retracement and then.
So 23.6.
Yeah. I got to get that last trade back.
Oh boy.
Got to get it back.
Oh boy.
So if we get down to here, if we get down to this area right here. All right.
Yeah, but hey, what about your regression channels going down still?
Yeah. They haven't quite turned up yet. So that's another thing too. I'd be trading against one of my filters, so that's not smart.
Enter the giveaway. You have to sign up to the email list down below. And then make sure your email is confirmed. Put in your YouTube username so we can confirm the duck with the winner and the email and get it all squared away. We're going to be doing the giveaway here shortly. Hey, what about those 3 lines on your chart? The dotted lines. What is that?
The 3 dotted lines?
Yeah.
These pink ones?
I'm kind of colorblind, but yeah.
The dashed lines?
Yeah.
Okay, so the upper one is the average upper body of the 5-minute, right? Minus,
that's right.
It does not include the wicks.
What were you telling me that?
And the bottom one is the average candle body low, does not include the wicks. And the middle one is the median price of the 5-minute chart.
And what was your theory behind the bodies versus the wicks?
My thought process on that is that if we're trading right below this or right above this, then we're kind of in the wicky area of the 5-minute chart, which would mean we're probably in support and resistance areas. That's my theory anyways, but it's still something I'm testing and watching and messing with. Again, this stuff I'm developing and working on is based on a ranging market, not a trending market. So if we're friggin' ripping up all day long, this stuff doesn't do nothing. I mean, maybe it does something, but it's not trustworthy.
I think my pool might be filled before I go to bed tonight.
Really?
Yeah, I got a couple hoses in it. But went and took a shower and didn't have very good water pressure. I have all the hoses turned on. Oh, man. All right, let's go. I am short seeing if we're going to get a rejection back down. We'll see. I'm going to put my screen back up. We'll see if that ends up being losing trade number 2 or not.
Yeah,
it's kind of going sideways.
Raj has a good point. You can't, it's not easy to measure euphoria or panic, right? And so that was a good example of that. So we were in the upper regression. We were in the upper ATR band. The sellers stepped in. We saw that on the volume pressure from Bookmap. And we were at VWAP. That was an A+ setup for sure, but kept ripping up, right? Because oil kept dropping. Plus we're trading right now in a time where, levels and ranges, those aren't really ruling the roost.
I mean, we didn't hold to the ranges last night on that big spike up.
No.
That thing blew through everything.
I think we were 700 points above the second upper ATR band.
Yeah, that was pretty sick.
What's up, Spaces?
I think I'm going to close this out for a loss.
Oh, did you try another short?
Yeah, I'm closing it.
Yeah, I mean, I'm hearing sellers. They're trying to stack the orders on the selling book. Let's see.
Yeah, now that I'm out, it'll go down.
Yeah, we're still in that upper ATR band. It's pushed it up a little bit, but
oil dropped a little bit. Oil's back below VWAP.
I think Raj says opening price still in play. I agree with that.
And let's not forget about the big liquidity we have up here too. So if we look in Q, we've had this liquidity ever since we've been on stream, 25,055, 101 contracts. So they probably want to go try to tag those orders. Let's go ahead and facilitate those trades.
Probably, yeah.
Mr. Yen. You haven't
I don't
seen
know.
Brian Watt in forever.
I don't even know who that is.
Yeah, Brian Watt. He has some funny stories.
Really?
Yeah, it's pretty funny. I haven't seen him on YouTube in a while.
They're smacking it. Oh, I'm going to get run over again, guys.
Oh, I didn't know you got in it.
Yeah, I got short again.
Oh, man.
Crap.
They were going for that 55.
Yeah.
I think we're coming up here for that 55. Where's your stop at on it?
Stop is at 46, which is not good.
It might be.
If we're gonna get to that 55, darn it.
We're at the first deviation band on the view app.
Are we?
Yeah, only the first. I like the second or third, but $50, nice.
Nice.
Hey, it's pulling back for you.
Yeah, I might just scratch this trade too.
Really?
I was trying to get my damn money back from that last loser, but I'm pretty sure the sentiment has changed here, guys. Like they want to rip it back up now, so I need to give up on my shorts temporarily here.
Don't be a quitter. Aiming for 68.88. Might get it. Right there at the VR. If you look at the NASDAQ or the S&P, really like how the S&P is coming up to the view app. A little wick right there. Had two little wicks right before it, little wick right through it. What about gold? Let's look at GC.
Yeah, Raj, I agree with you. It held VWAP, and now if we can get back above that opening price and hold it, yeah, this is the lows in for at least for now.
Oh boy. The lows in, it cannot go any lower. Hey, gold's not really doing anything for me right here. Not really a fan of it. Not really a fan of that chart right now. Yeah, Nikkei. Nikkei's down 264. Nikkei will be going to lunch here in 20 minutes. HSI is down 144. We hit the opening price on the NQ. We did hit it. We didn't hit the liquidity yet, though. I might look for a short. If we squeeze up to 55, I might take a short.
Oh, yeah. It'd be nice to short right off that 55 because, you know, that's a lot of selling pressure.
Yeah, sometimes we'll push us a little bit above it and then, bam, smack it.
Yeah.
Hopefully.
100 contracts when the volume is so low, it'll probably push down pretty good.
Yeah, if we can make it all the way up there.
Especially if those are market targets. Right? If they're market orders, it'll flush pretty good off of those. I don't know.
It can't be a market order.
No?
No, market orders guarantees a fill, not a price.
No, I know. That's what I mean.
So yeah, but you can't have a resting market order. You can only have resting limit orders.
Oh, really?
Yeah, but it could be. Here's what we don't know: is it a resting limit order to close a position or start a short position? That we don't know. I think that's what you're kind of mean. I think that might be what you're meaning, because if it's to open a new position, if it's the
yeah.
If it's the short, they may defend it if it goes past it. Maybe. If that order is even legit, they might pull it. we start getting out there and they just yank it.
Yeah, it's been there though.
Yeah, we'll see. We shall see. I want to get that money back.
Me too. That's why I'm in this short. I mean, I'm in the green $10. I'm trying to hold it, but probably not smart.
What could go wrong?
Kensington's short too. Oh boy, we're both screwed.
Yeah, more than one person's in a trade. It's not going to work. I feel like if too many people can see that it's a good trade, it's probably a trap. It's not a good trade. Good trades don't last for long, and most people aren't going to see them. Every time me and my friend got in the same trade at work, just happened to be in the same trade, we saw the same thing, never worked. We got ran over every time.
Yopi's in the short too. Oh no. Oh boy, we're in trouble, guys.
Hey, well, hey, if I go long, one of us will win. Either all of you guys will win or I'll win. I don't want to go long up here. So I can't. I don't want to go long up here. I'm not in that camp. I'll sit it out. I could be inclined to maybe short the ES.
Come on, just flush. Ralph, thanks. Appreciate that. Mike appreciates that.
Yeah, I've had 2 wins tonight and 2 losses. But thankfully, my wins have been bigger than my losses, so still up a little bit.
I've had 2 wins and that 1 loss. You guys saw me take that stop.
Yeah, versus what does.
Yeah, I'm up 290 on the night. I'm up $85 on this short, so let's see if it actually goes somewhere here. Might bounce from VWAP though.
It's on the ES. We had these stacked buying bounces. They couldn't hold it on the ES, so we might try to come down. We have a whole zone down here stacked and bounced at 6801. Can we make it down there?
What I need CL to just rip up real quick. Oh, come on, come on. Come on.
We're flirting with my 200 EMA. Right there at it. Can we break it or we get a bounce?
Yeah, they break it, then I'm good. If they bounce, I'm
lower regression channel too. And a rising regression channel in 1 minute.
Yeah, mine's starting to flatten out a little bit.
Tomic's up 1,030. Man, congrats.
Woo, good job.
He's the big winner so far.
I know if I close this thing prematurely, it's just going to friggin' flush.
I'm telling you can't win. The market's undefeated on that. You close it early, and it would have ran past your target. You would have made so much money. You don't close it. Oh, you're going to pay.
Uh-huh.
There is a price to pay.
Oh, shoot. Buyers are stepping in. Darn it. I should have taken the $90.
That's what I said earlier. I was up 90 on that one I lost on. I was up 90, and then it came back. I'm like, and then boop, and got me. I didn't get a chance to hit the exit button first. Hit my stop before I could close it. So, how to enter the giveaway? You gotta sign up to the email list down below. Then make sure you click on the confirmation email. Click that it's you. We're gonna give out a key phrase here shortly. What time is it? 10. All right, real shortly.
Damn, CL's trying to come down. Darn it.
Well, you don't want cheaper gas?
I do, but I also want to win this trade.
Yeah, it's funny.
You know, like if I make 150 on this, then I can afford to put diesel in the truck.
That's crazy how much your guys' gas is. That is nuts.
Oh, here comes a push. Darn it. I should have taken that $90.
Yeah, I was just going to do something. I forgot.
Hey, we got a few new folks hanging out. Why don't we drop a link to your main channel where you stream every morning?
Let me try to find it.
I think that's a good idea. You guys got to check out Mike. Make sure you're subscribed to his main channel. He's on there. He does a good show every morning. Pre-market prep and then trades the New York session. Yeah. Oh, that's what he's forgetting. Sod says, yeah, duck race. You were going to start prepping the duck race, I think.
Oh yeah. Hey, so what happened was I went into YouTube and I went into Google and YouTube popped up, and then I was like, "What am I looking on YouTube for?" And I just started scrolling around. All right, there's a link to the main channel. Oh, that's funny. I was like, man, why? Because I only use that browser for this channel. That's what threw me off. I forgot I have Nightbot posted on that one too.
No Life says, that's a nice friend right there. I think he's talking about me being a good friend to you there, Mike.
Friends are shit.
Thanks. Appreciate that.
I'm just joking.
Hey, Raj. Thanks, dude. Good night.
Yeah, good night, Raj. All right, let's see. One little duckly.
Swing Day would love to join. If you're talking about the duck race, you got to go ahead and join up on the email list. And then the email list will email you to prove that you own that email address. So you got to confirm it, and then you're good to go.
We're gonna key phrase here in just a moment. Get it all set up.
Sod says, I had a friend once. Damn, I should have taken that $90. Darn it. Oh, they're going to get me.
Hey, if we could hindsight trade, wouldn't that be great? Be like, all right,
Yeah.
you're up $90. You see it go up. No, okay, I'll take the $90. Rewind. $90.
Yeah. Dang, giving back all my damn profits tonight.
Uh-oh.
Not quite. I'm still, if I close it right now, I'd still be green, but jeez Louise. Yeah, I agree, Eric.
Hey, Eric, I'll sign up. Give me one redo a day. I'm golden. I'll trade there. I will YOLO that first trade out of the gate. Say I want to redo.
Yeah.
And then be like, I'm done. I'm done for the day. Done for the. I'll do one little scalp and I'm done.
Send 10 contracts either direction. If it fails, there's my redo.
Hey, because eventually you'll get it right.
Yeah.
So the days you don't, you break even. Days you do, you make a whole bunch of money. And you just pick one direction every single day. One massive trade, full contracts. Only go long or only go short every day. Some of the days you're going to be right. Some days you'll be wrong. But you get to undo the ones that you're wrong. That would be awesome.
Oh, God. If you're there, it's me, Giraffe.
I love that. I love that video. That video is hilarious.
If you just let me out of this one, I promise I'll stop peeing on all your little friends.
all your little creatures.
Yeah.
Hold on, I'm gonna find that video for people real quick because they might not have a clue what we're talking about. If you guys ever had a bad day of trading, ever lost a lot of money, you gotta watch this video. You gotta watch it.
Yeah, when he's crying. Yeah.
Oh man, I love this video.
M2 new here, subscribe to the channel, then click the link, the confirmation email. What else needs to be done? That's it. You're good.
We're gonna give out a key phrase here in a moment. You type the key phrase into the chat. Nightbot's gonna pick out some random winners. Hey, but watch that video. If you guys have ever had a bad day of trading, you gotta watch that video. You'll find it pretty hilarious, I think.
Yeah, we'll wait on the duck race until you come back. So click it, watch it, come back. We'll be here.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Yeah, I think I hit the bottom.
I'll have a good laugh tonight with the guys about this one.
The people who created that video and uploaded it to YouTube are probably every once in a while they see this influx of a few hundred viewers and they're like, what is happening? How are people even seeing this?
Just give me a mulligan. Now he's crying.
And for anybody who's new and hasn't done one of these duck races before, you know, Mike's going to drop a key phrase in the chat. You got to copy and then paste that back into the chat over and over and over and over again to get yourself entered into the duck race. Okay. So that's a little.
We're getting ready to do duck race. Oh, that video is funny. You guys got to watch that video if you haven't yet. It is hilarious. Hey, it's funny because me and my friend at work were watching it. We're cracking up laughing. You know, he was trading. We both were the only ones trading in the whole where we worked. We showed other people like, what's so funny about that? I was like, oh yeah, you haven't lost any real money, so you don't think this is funny. You gotta have some losses before you find it funny.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Let's wait. Let's wait. M2, you still here? Are you back yet?
Yeah, I'll give him a minute. I'll give him a minute. Hey, you still in that trade?
Yeah, it's back to my break even here.
What's the target?
Getting greedy.
What's the target?
Well, I was targeting the fib level that just moved up, darn it. Now I don't know where it was, but my target's at 14.
Oh, that's not bad.
I'd be happy with VWAP, to be honest with you. I just want to get out of this trade.
VWAP's at 22.
I just want to watch a duck race.
It's kind of funny, like there's that one point where you're like, I'm good. Let me do one more trade. You're like, crap, I should have just stopped.
Yeah.
Oh man. Yeah, video is true. That's what's funny about it. That's what makes it so hilarious. But if you've never lost, you know, most people don't find it funny. I think it's hilarious.
I mean, it's relatable, not just to trading, but anything in life, really. That's why that video is was such a big hit. You know, it's like you can apply that to anything, really. Where do I have to register my email for the duck race? There's a link in the description of this video.
First link.
Yep, down below, the first link.
Don't watch
actually, no, it's the second link because you got prop firm Mike in there too. So the giveaway.
I used to be first link.
Yeah, the giveaway sign up. Click that. Sign yourself up. Put your YouTube username, all that good stuff. Then that system will email you a confirmation. You got to do that too, and then you're good to go.
That's it. Then you got to do 20 jumping jacks
and 15 push-ups.
And again, the account that we're going to be giving away is for Perdia. And if you guys like the instant funded accounts, in my personal opinion, they get the best rules. 100K account, 3,000 end of the day drawdown, 3,000 profit target, 1-to-1. However, once you pass this, you go to a live account. All that money you made is your money. But if you take 100% of your payout, they will pay you out, but then they will ban you. They're looking for people that want to be long-term traders, not just, you know, take your money, blow it because you don't have no money to trade with and buy another eval. They want to keep somebody that's sustainable. And the accounts we're going to be giving away will be the 50K EOD accounts. And they do plan to have a live physical prop firm, shows right here, in 2026. So you can qualify to trade at their live prop desk as well. So again, they're looking for real traders. So, all right, let's get ready to do a duck race. I'm going to give out the key phrase here in just a moment.
Yeah, get ready to copy and paste, folks. And remember, the more times you paste it in and hit enter to send that message, the better
luck you get. The more gooder it is.
Yeah. Increase your chances. You'll see the chat will start going nuts. If you're new here and you haven't seen this, you'll see it. Hey, what's up, Apple?
All right. Oh man.
Shorts.
He's hey, you and Jesse both. Jesse's in it with you.
Somebody else was too up there. I can't remember who it was.
Hopefully you guys don't have the same sports
sports balls.
Yeah.
The same sporting equipment.
Yeah, hopefully they're not, touching. All right. Let's see. All right, I'm going to get out the key phrase here. Are you guys ready? 3, 2, 1. Beep. All right, copy that key phrase, paste it, and we're gonna select 10 winners.
There it is. There you
Thomas,
go.
man, I tell you what, Thomas is quick.
You guys
He's quick
are
on the New
it.
York stream too. He is quick.
There you go. So you got to copy and paste that whole phrase in there, Yopi. You're doing it wrong. You got to paste the whole thing in there.
Yeah, pretty use code Mike.
You got it. There you go.
All right, number
All
2.
right.
It's hard for me to read the screen, especially at night.
Maximize
Dumb
it.
monkey. Or
Dumb?
dupe. No, not dumb. I thought it was dumb.
Numb.
No.
Monkey. All right, monkey. You're in, monkey.
There you go. Number 3.
Let's go. Number 3.
Drew's something. Drew's
Drew?
69 Malibu. Drew's 69 Malibu.
Oh, nice. A 69 Malibu. Woo.
Brian's in the race. Number 4.
Brian got it. Let's go.
I'm curious whose duck is gonna win. Crocodile Hunter. Oh boy. Hey, you need to go Costa Rica with me. Keep all the crocodiles away from me. So I don't get
Crocodile
bit.
Dundee in the race.
Atomic Trader. Let's see. Let's see.
Atomic.
1, 2,
All right.
3, 4, 5, 6. The Solar CEO. Number 7. Number 8. Sam is going to be number 9.
Sam.
I think your trade's working out.
It's trying to.
You can still take it down to 14? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Maybe.
Oh, 1, 2,
I'll
3,
wa-
4.
I'm going to see what it does.
Oh, no, we got 2 more. Miscounted.
2 more? Let's
Yeah.
go.
Coral Tank, I think.
All right.
All right, last but not least.
Last one.
Boom. Oh, no, Thomas, you only have 1 entry. Boom. Let's see.
Who do we got? Johan?
Yeah, I can't pronounce. I don't want to mess it up.
Johan. Okay, that's it. We got all 10.
All right, let's see who's got the fastest duck out there.
All right, make sure you hit live on the stream, guys. You don't want to be delayed and miss the duck race.
Let's see. Make sure I have no book map up. All right, done. But we gotta make this a little bit bigger.
All right, you don't need to paste it in anymore. All the entries are taken. We got 10 people in the race.
Oh, why
Let's
is
go.
this so small? There you go. There we go. All right, on your marks.
1
Get
minute
set.
sprint. Let's go.
Boop.
Woohoo.
I'm not used to hearing the
All right.
sounds. Whack. Whack.
Okay, I see Johan up there.
Uh-oh. Crocodile Hunter not looking good. He's in the lead. Usually the first place duck early on does not win the race.
Might have the stamina. We'll see.
We'll see.
I like Johan's position. I like Thomas's position too.
He's number
Ooh,
1 right now.
Drew's creeping up. Drew's creeping up though.
I think
Ooh,
I like Atomic's
Coral.
better.
Coral.
I think
and-
Atomic's better.
Yeah, I like Coral's spot. Ooh.
Now they're
Let's
too
see.
far
Sam.
in the lead right now.
Sam.
Drew's Malibu came back pretty quick. He might slingshot out of there. Let's see who's. Oh,
Who's coming on?
number 10. Number 10 might get it. Oh,
Oh, Johan's coming back.
oh.
Sam's
I don't
coming
know.
back.
Thomas gonna get it. Thomas takes the lead.
Jeez.
Thomas wins the race.
Oh. Congrats.
Thomas wins the race. I think I got Thomas's info. already.
Congrats.
He's won
Thomas.
before. I hear the chirping going on.
Yeah, I should have just gotten out of that darn thing. I was green on it a couple times. Didn't take it.
I hear a lot of chirping.
Mhm.
Not a whole lot of movement. Let's see. Thomas. Okay, let me do this. Whack. I gotta
Hey,
shut
did you
this
used
off.
to do a longer race, huh? At some point you
I used to
shortened
do
it one-
three. We started doing all the giveaways. We're doing 2 a day at that one point, and just 3 minutes was a long time.
Yeah, I think I like the little 1 minute sprint
Yeah.
better.
Oh, we did a poll on it in the main channel, and people like that better. Might do one day when I go to lunch.
Might be kind of
Hey,
cool.
maybe tomorrow I'll do it over lunch while I'm eating lunch. I'll
Like
come
a
back.
whole
We'll see
hour
who
lo-
the winner is after
an
lunch.
hour-long duck race.
We'll go back and see. Well, we've never done one that long yet.
I'd like to see like a quick, just a sprint, like 20 seconds. Boom, out the gate. Who's winning?
Yeah, I wonder how that works. Hey, we'll play with that here in just a second. Oh yeah, I'm gonna get sidetracked. Yeah, we'll just try to go down here a little bit. All right, I gotta get focused here. Send. Hey, Thomas, have you ever had a Perdia account? Hey, if not, I need you to go over to Perdia, sign up, create a username and password. That way, when I get your information, I can forward it to my contact over at Perdia, and we can get the account transferred over to you. Let's see. Let's see. Pose. All right. All right, Thomas, I just sent you an email. Just sent you an email. Now I'll forward it over to them, and they'll probably contact you tomorrow. They'll contact you tomorrow. So you want to be on the lookout in your spam folder and stuff too as well. And they'll contact you to help you get it all set up.
Mike's been trading since I was in diapers.
Whoa, I'm only 21. Come on now. Actually, I'm going to turn 21 this year.
Actually, 20 years, dude. 21 years you've been trading, right?
Yeah. Actually,
wow.
this June or July will be 21 years.
Dang.
Goes by fast.
Yeah, dude.
I was a
little itty bitty boy, man.
I still am little. I never grew up. I came out the womb this size. So I'm just trying to see I say we see any headlines over in the Middle East real quick.
Oh, Atomic, he's got some war stories, some good ones,
yeah.
some bad ones. I've heard them all.
Oh, you haven't heard them all. I got a lot of them though. Got a lot of them. Yeah, during 08, I got my butt spanked. I started in 05. In 08, I had my best run at that point where I made money for 14 or 16 months consistently, no losing months. I was like, I got it. I put on too much size. So I was trading credit spreads primarily. I still traded stocks and futures a little bit, but I was primarily trading credit spreads. And like an idiot, I put on the biggest size I ever had. And after I'd already made my money that month, I was like, oh wow, I can still get more. Got greedy. Put the trade on. Actually put on an iron condor. One side made money, no problem. The other side, a couple days later, I could have got out for a nickel where I normally close the spread out for a nickel. I was like, I'm not going to pay commissions this time. I'm sick of it. Well, I didn't take it, and that cost me $30,000. So
over 5 cents.
Over 5 cents. And I was over leveraged. And by not wanting to pay commissions, guess what? They charged me $15 per contract in exercise fees, which was like another $900 and something. So instead of paying, I could have paid less than $50 in commissions. Nah, I said, nah, let me pay 900. Let me just pay 900-ish. Let me see roughly. I know I had a lot of contracts on that sucker. On that trade. In my head, I got an idea of what it was. Let's see. Oh yeah, that was about right. So that sucked. Hey, and here was the bad part about that. I wish I had a documentary of my life back then, because it'd be pretty funny. I was working on cars still, so every car I got into, they're talking about financial crisis, Every single car. Go home, it's all over the news. I'm just like, oh my goodness. I hope this trade works out. I hope I'm hedged the way it should work. You know, the max I should be able to lose is the difference in the strike price. But sometimes I'd see a P&L swing in my account a couple $100,000 because the other leg of the option hadn't caught up yet. I'm like, oh my goodness, I don't have a couple $100 in my account. I really hope this is gonna work out. And here's the funniest part about the story. I was like, oh, poor little me. Maybe they'll forget about me. They won't exercise the options because of all this stuff going on in the world. Maybe they won't come after me. Friday night, I look, hey, the position's gone. I have all my money in my account. I was like, oh my goodness, I get to keep all my money. I'll never do this again. Never, ever, ever. Saturday morning, I get up. All the money's still in my account. Saturday, it's still there. Sunday, I get up. All the money's still in my account. I was like, oh yeah, I was so happy. Went out, got lunch, came back on. I'm going to study the charts and I'm never going to make this mistake again. And then all the money was gone out of the account, plus an additional $900 for the exercise fees. I promise you, I had like a little tear rolling down my eye. I was like, no. Oh man, that was horrible. They got my hopes up all weekend long thinking, oh, I survived. They didn't exercise my options.
And you could have avoided all of that with just paying a little.
Paying a nickel. Paying a
Yeah.
nickel plus commissions. Yep. It usually I didn't hassle over the last little bit because at a nickel I could get out and the risk is off the table. No, now I'm getting greedy. I keep winning. And my head got a little bit big and bam, they smacked me. And I can't believe it. That's the only time I broke that rule. Earlier, like 2 or 3 months earlier, I had a trade that was going against me. And when the Delta got above 40, I got out because that was my rule. Delta gets above 40, I get out. So I was like, all right. I get out. My friend at work does not get out. He's in a similar trade, but a little bit different strike price, but the same idea of the trade. And he didn't get out that month. He made money in that trade. I did not, but I had other spreads that made money. So I still made money that month. And I had that in my head. Then the guy that taught this strategy was having a weekly webinar or whatnot. And I was on there. He's like, hey, I'm in this trade. And he was in a worse spot than me. He goes, it's probably going to go past us, but don't worry. It's not going to stay down there. It's going to come back. It did not come back. Did not. So.
Hey, Atomic, have a good night.
Yeah, Atomic, have a good night. So that was a hot mess. That was a hot mess. But, looking back on it, it seemed like the worst thing that ever happened to me back then. But looking back at it now, it's kind of funny. And all those experiences is, basically paying my tuition. And here's the funny part. Within a couple of weeks, I got all the money back. All the money but like $1,000-ish back. I lost it all again. I think that's when I thought about quitting trading. I was talking to Jesse about this. Actually, just today, I think I told him the story again. I was thinking about quitting trading, and I don't know if I got it all back again and it took a little bit longer and then I lost it again. Then I thought about quitting, or if it was this time. But I said, you know what? I'm sick of this roller coaster up and down. I suck. I'm never going to be good at this. They're right. You cannot beat the market. It's impossible. And then I said, well, with the money I have, either I'm going to blow up this account or I'm just going to try to get green. So every day I said, my goal is going to be, as soon as I'm green, I just stop trading. If it's $1, I stop trading. If it's $100, I stop trading. And after about 90 days, roughly about 3 months, maybe a little bit longer, maybe almost 4 months, but somewhere in that ballpark, I looked at my P&L. I was like, holy crap, I made that much money. I made thousands of dollars by only trying to be green every day. If it was $1, $10, $20, $50, whatever it was. And I was really at that point, from that point on, I'd never looked back in terms of wanting to quit. I've had a lot more war stories after that, but that I was like, all right, I'm good. I'm good. I can see that when you do the right things, it starts to come back. And what's funny is no matter how much money you've lost in the markets, when it really clicks for you, you can get a lot of it back really quick. But if you're chasing the money where I got to make X amount today, tomorrow, this week, it's going to run right away from you. You are not going to consistently get it. So that was horrible. I was still working. Hey, Robert, I was still working a full-time job when all that mess was going on. Hey, and every morning when I was getting smoked on my trades, on those option trades, every morning I wake up and the market's up. I'm like, today's the day. It's coming back. It's coming back. And then by the afternoon,
This isn't even real quicksand.
Yeah. Hey, and here's the funny part. I set alerts on my computer. Hey, let me know if you guys have done this. I set alert. If it goes here, it'll give me alert. I'm going to get out. Alert shows up. Oh, let me move it down. Move the alert down more. All right. If it hits this level, I'm going to get out. Then I just shut off the laptop. I don't want to look at it. That does not help. In case you guys want to know, shutting off the laptop does not help your position one bit.
No.
Oh man, that was, I really wish I wish there was a documentary just looking how miserable I was back then. And just hoping it was going to come back, and it just did not. Golly, that was horrible. That was horrible. But it's kind of funny now. Now looking back on it.
Technically speaking, had you rolled it over long enough, it came back.
I had no more money. I couldn't roll it over. I had no more money.
Oh, okay.
I didn't have the margin to put up for it. I lost it all.
I was like, I'm just saying, because look where the market's at now compared to 08.
Yeah, but what I would have made on it was, yeah. Hey, here's the funny part. So I YOLO'd one day early before the bottom of 08. I YOLO'd all my money in and got it all back on trading financials, the 2 times and 3 times leveraged ETFs. So I got it all back.
Wow.
Yep. And that was just, I mean, they were way oversold, and I got lucky. It wasn't like I was a good trader. I bet everything on every trade I had, just about. Maybe not everything, but I was way over leveraged, and I just want to get it back. Wanted to feel good, and I lost it all again.
Dude, so this NQ has given me 4 different opportunities to get out green, and I didn't take them.
So kind of like my nickel trade, right?
Yes, and here it is pushing up again, and oil's trying to push. Can we just get a flush already?
Flush it. That's what I'm saying. Thanks for those stories. Those stories are pretty funny. I really wish I could go back and I wish I had a video of it, man. I'd love to watch it.
What's up, J-Dub?
Hey, J-Dub, what's up? Oil's back at 97. Let me go look at oil real quick. Not really doing much. Still below VWAP for the time being. So, that's pretty funny. So, hey, are we just going to consolidate up here tomorrow? Have another balance area. Let the MACDs work down towards the 0 line and get ready to rip back up. I don't know. I don't know. Let's see. Oh boy. What time is it? 10:45. I don't know if it'll be filled up before I go to bed. It's getting close.
The pool?
Yeah, it's getting close.
You probably have to turn it off and start it up in the morning.
You can't turn it off.
Why?
It said if anything, I can turn it slower, but it does something to the finish. So you have to keep the water going. So I can turn it down, but you have to at least keep the water flowing. So otherwise they'll leave like lines or streaks or something in the finish or something. I don't know.
Well, you definitely don't want it to like start.
Well, I'm definitely not gonna have 2 hoses while I'm sleeping. But I guess we'll see.
Oh, here's a big put. Oh boy.
Oh boy.
They're gonna get up there and tag me, aren't they?
I want to go check in on the overseas markets. So Nikkei should be at lunch. Nikkei is back down 311, and they should be at lunch. HSI is only down 86. Looks like it's trying to go up there and fill the gap. We have 450 time evals, 54 funded accounts. Almost quit. Hey, Geo Trades. It's like right when you're at the point of quitting, that's usually when you end up making it. If you can, push through it. So, no, it's some, I don't know what it's called. It's some stone something.
I forgot what it's called too, but it's like a spray on concrete, right?
No, it's like some
No?
kind of, it's like some kind of stone that has like colors and stuff in it to change the water color or something. I don't know.
Oh yeah, I know what you're talking
I
about.
forget what it's called.
They're like little beads, and they blast them out like high pressure.
No, I don't. Well, I don't know. They sprayed it all in, then they like trialed it in.
Gunite. Ah,
No, gunite's
that-
a concrete.
yeah.
And no, we got shotcrete. I got a shotcrete pool.
Shotcrete.
But gunite and shotcrete are kind of the same. I think the difference is where the concrete's mixed, if I remember right. I think the gunite, it mixes at the end at the tip, and the other one's all the way in the back. Hey, Chris, good evening or good night.
See you, Chris. All right, this time, if it gets me back, I'm just gonna close this thing.
Hey, just to play devil's advocate real quick, the pattern we have on the 1 minute is actually bearish. It's the same pattern we had earlier this morning on stream that we talked about. And I said, hey, except for in reverse. See if I can find it. Let me see. Like right here. See how we're wedging down here? I said, watch for one last little push down. Then whoop. And then that was it. It ripped right back up. We got that same pattern right now, except for in reverse. So we might get one more pop up through the highs, but then that might be an opportunity to short. We get like a big push up through the high. That might be an opportunity to short.
Good night, Crawford.
No, hey, they actually have somebody at the pool company we have that put it in. They have somebody coming out for the first 30 days to do all that. I was like, sweet. Oh, hey, Gio, I appreciate that. I mean, I'm sorry that you blew up so many accounts. I like seeing people get payouts.
Benjamin, have a good night.
Yeah, have a good night, Benjamin. This market's slow tonight.
Yeah, I wish it'd just flush down here and let me out of this thing.
Can't tell you how many times I've been stuck in a trade at night going, oh, I just want to go to bed.
Yeah.
He's like, well, you could get out, idiot. No, I gotta wait. I gotta wait to see if it's gonna get me. Then I remember one night, this thing was like stuck in just like I was underwater, not a lot. It just kept going back and forth. I stayed up till like 2:30 in the morning. I was so irritated. I was
Yeah,
like,
108 orders still at 55. Yep.
I think we might want to. That might be the spike up where you hit those orders and then we reject down. Maybe. I might be interested in that. If we actually make it to this liquidity, we have this little wedge right here. We break out to the upside, get those orders, and I might smack it. I might smack it back down. We go up there and take that. I'm definitely watching it.
Jeez.
I mean, not love it for you, but that'd be a good look. I like it to go down so you can get out and then go up there. And I'll smack it. Smack it real good. You're long 30 M&Q. Oh boy. Hey, you should be in the money. You're long 30 M&Q. I would not want to go to bed with 30 M&Q on. I got 2 M&Q still, which they're giving up some of their gains. I'm hoping I wake up tomorrow morning and they're in the monies. That'd be great.
Oh, it's gonna get. Yep, just stop me. All right, I'm red on the night. $207. Darn. What was my high water mark? I don't even remember what the heck.
Like 200 or 300, 290 or 300 or something. I think you said.
No. I was up like 5 something earlier.
Oh boy.
Jeez Louise.
44 liquidity. Yeah, see, I didn't see liquidity at 44. I see it up here at 55. We hit 55. I might take a shot. I'm definitely off my high water mark. I was at 7 something.
Yeah, it's inching towards that 55, isn't it?
Yeah. I was a little bit concerned with that early on in the stream because I took a trade. I took 3 shorts. They all made money. I was worried about that 55 though. I'm curious.
It might try to run. It might try to run away from that here.
Maybe. HSI is still down 72. And we'll see if it's even a real order. So we shall see.
There we go.
Oh, you're back in it?
I took it short. Oh shoot! I should have closed.
Hey, we
it.
have a night count up there.
Yeah, I saw 120. I should have closed it.
Yeah, I'm trying to wait. I'm trying to wait for that liquidity. I'm trying to be patient.
Oftentimes they'll start running away from it. So
2 Pro reset this one tonight. Full porting. Oh boy.
Oh boy.
Full porting never works for me.
I'll never say never.
For me, it doesn't. I don't ever want to do it anymore.
What's the ES doing over here?
Yeah, water's almost up on the tanning ledge.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's getting pretty close. Looks like maybe an half inch to an inch away. No tanning ledge on my phone. I'm gonna have nightmares. I'm gonna have nightmares about the pool flooding. I forgot to shut the water off.
All right, I closed it. All right, so now I'm only down 97 on the night. All right.
Oh, we're full from the rain. I don't even know if it's supposed to rain today or not, or tomorrow or not. Come on, push it. Push it. Want to see 25,055? I'm going to probably take a short. Oh, you're in Daytona? Nice.
Stay broke. Yeah, I took, what was that? I think I took 2 losses there.
Hey, no, Eric, my head's in the same place. What do you mean? I don't understand what you mean. I'm still on the screen.
You're moving it.
I'm just joking. I got different scenes where when I show book map, I switch the other side of the screen.
I'm gonna look at my trade stats tonight because I lost track of my winners versus losers.
Man, I want to smack it. I want to smack it. But I'm gonna try to be patient. Wait for 55. I so bad want to hit it. So bad.
What's today's date? The 8th. There we go.
Yes.
8. Generate. Well, that ain't right. That's nowhere near right.
Yeah, you gotta remember that it counts from 12 o'clock at night. So last night's trades after 6.
No, but I put it on the 8th.
Yeah, I know. So you're looking, it's counting trades from earlier today.
Oh.
So
I need to
anything
change
after
the
12
time.
o'clock last night until now, it's counting all in the same day.
Okay, so let me put in like what
time?
would be this afternoon?
Like 6 o'clock on?
Yeah,
if you're trying to do that.
1800.
Yeah.
All right, let me hit generate.
Hey, Yoda, have a good night.
There we go. That shows the right numbers. Okay, so I've had 9 trades, 5 winners, 4 losers. And because of commissions, I'm down 121 bucks. Well, actually, it's only 97 bucks on my.
Oh, look, we're still
eval.
going down too.
Yeah, I should have held it, but whatever.
At least you don't have intraday drawdown in those accounts.
Yeah.
Yeah.
no.
So you didn't lose. You only lost $97 drawdown. That's not bad. There's still plenty of time to get it back. I think you should YOLO one. Just see what happens. Max size.
Max size. Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's go.
I mean, what could go wrong? Yeah, I feel alive. I gotta live through you because I'm not doing it. He has a TPT evaluation accounts, I believe, right?
Yeah. So on the evals, they're end of day drawdown, but as soon as you get to funded, they switch to intraday.
Nah, mine's end of day. I'm over the buffer. Oh, actually, I don't have no drawdown. Mine's static now.
Once you get over the buffer, yeah, you don't got to worry about that.
I love that.
Unless you get real stupid like I do sometimes.
Hey, the pretty accounts are in EOD.
Oh yeah?
Lucid accounts are EOD. Apex accounts are not. I'm still on legacy accounts. Tradeify accounts are EOD. And my Mind Funded Futures is EOD. Which I need to check on that. I wonder if I'm over the consistency now to take a payout. I might be. Let's go see. I don't know. Maybe not. Let's see.
227 people watching. Hit the like button, everybody.
Now see if we can get the 200 likes. Can we get the 200?
What are we at
likes?
now?
181.
All right. 181. Let's get it. I'll be right back.
All right.
It's starting to get dark. Got to turn on some lights over here.
That's funny. It's been dark here forever. Yeah, nice rejection off that 9 count too. Let's see payouts. Dang it. Still not over the consistency rule yet. Withdrawal amount must be at least. I'm currently way over that. Dang it, dang it, dang it. That's all right. I'm almost back to the high water mark. Let's see. Yeah, I got to be close. I'm close. I need another day or two. Another day or two, I might be able to get a payout from MFF. Lucid accounts, I'm eligible for a payout, but I'm trying to build more of a buffer. That was a stop run. Yeah, but I was hoping we'd come up here, hit that liquidity out. This is where I wanted to short it at. The market's just not being kind to me. But I do still have the micros on from last night. They're the ones I added this morning on stream. I took 2 off. Still got 2 left. And they're still up $500. Again, anybody that wasn't on the stream earlier, if you guys were on the stream last night, this is the same trade I had on last night. Here's where I put 1 on, added 1 last night on stream, added 1 after the stream, added 1 right before the stream this morning, took 2 off down here. And then I was going to put 2 back on as we came back up around here, but I just didn't pull the trigger. Did not do it. So if that trade does hit, if I wake up and that trade's hit, that trade is like $1,400. So I'll be very happy. We might be able to hit the daily high. We'll see. I was hoping we'd get a rejection off that 55, but the market's doing what the market's doing, not being easy. But again, this pattern right here that we have is kind of bearish. So I was looking for one more spike above it, but I was hoping that spike would have went up just a little bit more and then come down. We didn't quite get it though. And let's go see crude oil. What is crude doing? Mr. CL. CL's trying to get back above the VWAP. We'll see if it's going to be successful or not. T-Coop says alerts on crude oil triggered. Hey, T-Coop, alerts to go long or short? Why not take a payout from Lucid? Because I'm not looking to churn and burn accounts. My goal this year is trying to see how long I can keep accounts. I don't want to churn and burn them. So I'm looking to keep accounts. Now I did buy 5. I thought I was going to blow them up. I almost blew them up 3 times, but I've been able to recover them so far. You're down 300. Yeah, the night is young.
Geo. Yeah, I'm down $100 here. I'm in a long. Let's see what happens.
No, I don't usually try to do churn and burn, but my focus this year is trying to see how long I can keep these accounts. Because the longer I can keep the accounts, the more payouts I'll be able to achieve. And the less money I'm paying in prop firm fees. So, that's a win-win. Win-win. Let's do an updated screenshot.
So they're running away from that 55, darn it.
I know. And we had that, the pattern played out like I talked about. We had it up. I said one more squeeze up. I was looking for a little bit more of a push though. Sons of a B words.
Mm-hmm. Boy, I should have held that short.
Told you can't win. It's undefeated. You hold it, it's going to smack you. You don't hold it, you're good. So like, here's my take profit trader accounts. I have 5 of them. Like 2 of them are 10 days newer than that, but I've traded these accounts 136 days. They've been funded since September 28, 2025. So I'd love it if I never blow these accounts up all year. Keep them all year long. Get more and more payouts. So, and it's funny, when I went into my drawdown spin, my Lucid accounts are eligible for a payout. I said, nah, I'm going to build a buffer. Let me build more of a buffer. I started thinking about the money, and that's when things went bad. I was thinking about all the payouts I was going to get from all the firms, and that's when it just went south on me. And I'll show you. I should be eligible for a payout. Let's see. Let's just make sure. My portal. Oh, I might try to show my account numbers. I don't want to do that. Okay, that's not my password. All right.
Frank, that's the 1 minute. You're still on the 1 minute over there, right, Mike?
Yeah. Funded. Oh yeah. Minimize. Yeah, let me do a little box just to cover up my account numbers. Not that I know if anybody could hack my stuff, but just in case. Hey, so here's my Lucid accounts right here. And you are eligible for a payout request across all the accounts. They're all funded. I'm trying to build more of a buffer in those accounts. So I have the money to take. I'm just trying to build the buffer up more. Again, the more drawdown we have, the more likely we can keep these accounts for a longer period of time, because bad days are going to come. If you have the drawdown to withstand it, you'll be good. Otherwise, you take the payout and you'll just end up buying new accounts. So I'd rather keep the accounts, keep as much drawdown as I can, and then, you know, try to get more and more payouts.
Yeah, Falal, yeah. Got places to be. Come on, market.
One thing I learned, the market does not wait for us.
And Yopi, yes, Mike and I both use Bookmap. Yep, the heat map. And who was just saying, oh, Mr. Nuts was just saying, please rip back up or I'm going to blow out. Oh, no.
Oh, boy.
I need it to go up too. I'm in a long, but I'm not on the verge of blowing out. Thank goodness.
Oh, hey, I see a thing that says California. They're drilling people's gas tanks. I remember they did that down here a long time ago, when back in 07, 08, 09, whenever gas prices were really high back then. We had cars coming to the dealership. They're parked somewhere and someone drills a hole in the gas tank to steal the gas.
Oh, man.
Yeah. I see. I don't see anything else about any projectiles being launched. Oh, wow. That's pretty wild. They have a little pit maneuver thing. Where? Where in Perdia do you put your information? I don't know what your email says. I don't know what email they sent you. If you send me a screenshot, if you want to send me a screenshot of the email, I can look at it.
I think Dimitri's the winner from yesterday, I think, huh?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I don't know what email they sent. Yeah, they're going to need your name, your phone number, all that. Set up an account. Oh, they're actually, hey, so, hey, Dimitri, so go to the App Store and download the app. It's easier doing it through the app. So Perdia has an app, so you can trade right, you can do stuff right on the app. Let me go see it real quick. You get to set that in the app. So you can go to the App Store. It's on Android and Apple. You can see your accounts right there in the app, which is pretty cool. I like that. I haven't tried to place a trade, but I think, oh yeah, you can. Oh yeah, it shows your account equity there. Let's see. Change your risk settings. Shows your drawdown, has a calendar. Oh, it's ripping. Somebody said they need a rip.
Trying to go. Let's go. Push.
I think they're going to be adding more features to the app in the future. I'll see if we can go up there and hit that 55. I want to short it at 55. I think I want to short it at 55.
Okay, I'm out. I'm green on the night, $100, $102. Woohoo! Mike, can you give me the cheers, please? The applause.
Here.
Oh my gosh.
Did you see it?
No, I don't. No, I meant the sound.
I know. I was joking with you. Perdia has the highest pass rate of their accounts in the industry. And their whole focus is on moving traders to live, not paying you and sim funded. They want live traders. Some of this stuff on social media, ridiculous. I went on there looking for. I got some of the easiest rules. If you look at, I'm telling you from the stats that they share with me, which I can't share, but and what they explained to me. But so look right here. What other firm out there has an instant funded account, $3,000 EOD drawdown, and $3,000 profit target 1-to-1, and best yet, no consistency rule? There's no consistency rule in this account.
A bookmap blocking part of that.
Oh man. So right here, $3,000 drawdown, $3,000 take profit, zero consistency rule. So if you make $10 billion in a day, hey, you're not gonna have to make, you're not gonna, you're over 20%. Now you have to make 10 gazillion, billion, quadrillion, whatever numbers in order to get a payout.
So to those of you, somebody was saying, hey, they seem kind of expensive. That's true.
They are.
Because of what Mike's saying, it's for legit, like established. Hey, you know what you're doing. They want real traders. They're trying to build a team, right? So they're not, that is not the account you jump in and learn with, right?
No, their EOD account's like 179 for the EOD 50K account. Yeah, it's 179. 90-10
John,
split.
Your book map sounds woke John up. John Webb.
Sounds like I'm awake. Yeah, let's go.
He was trying to push.
Short-lived.
Yeah, exactly. Jeez. And there's CL futures trying to push again up. Man, oh man.
That's what we need. Push it up. CL, rip on up. Rip it.
No, I want CL to flush so NQ will rip.
You must be long.
No, I closed it.
Oh, okay. No, because look, we need to go down to some of those key levels, then look for the buy.
Yeah, but Mr. Nuts has still got 30 micros long.
Well, maybe he just needs to flip it.
I don't know. Hey, Mr. Nuts, on the next push up, I don't know. Think about it. I don't want to give you any kind of advice, but
On the
maybe
next
think
push
about
up, do something.
it. Yeah.
Either hold it, get more, sell some, do something.
Yeah.
Or
He
do
was
nothing. Or just don't do anything. That's still do nothing. That's still doing something. Nothing is something. We'll identify it. We'll identify as doing something. Oh man. Crap, I wasn't paying attention to my email. The winner from tonight, Thomas. I gotta go forward his information. Man, slacker. What a slacker I am.
Dude, I'm just glad. Let me tell a quick story. I'm just glad that I took those stops tonight because I'm still in the game. I've turned it around. I'm green $102. You know, the old me would have just kept moving my stop, adding, moving my stop, adding, and then I'd be blown up right now. Do they have hedging rules like MFF? Yeah, every prop firm and the live markets have hedging rules.
I'm pretty sure they do. Let's go look. Hey, and that's a CME rule. CME will not allow you to be long the ES. And if you have accounts with two different brokers, let's say Thinkorswim and Interactive Brokers, whatever, you can't be long in Thinkorswim on the ES and short in Interactive Brokers. CME will send you some nasty emails. There's a law against it. Go look at the Frank Dodd Act or something. I think it is.
Yeah, and that's why the prop firm's trying to teach us all that ahead of time so we don't get in trouble.
But I mean, some of that is, you know, they're doing it to make it harder on us, but like, because they say you can't be long the ES and short the NASDAQ, which they can move. We've seen those move opposite before.
Oh, there's prop firms that have a rule against that even?
Yeah. It says hedging.
Really?
Hedging rule.
Wow.
Yeah. Let's do this.
Now, I don't ever trade them opposite of each other, but what I'll do is to avoid adding contracts to an NQ trade, I'll just like slap one on the ES. It's my new way of getting around my DCA rule. Mike, you didn't hear that.
I did. I heard you.
I have a rule, guys. I'm not allowed to add to a losing trade.
So I'll just put a different trade on. Okay, I'm trying to find it. Trying to look and see if I can find if they do. I'm assuming they have a hedging rule. I don't see it though. I don't hedge, so that stuff's really not in the proper accounts. I only trade one trade at a time. It's all MES. So it doesn't really.
Yeah, it doesn't affect me either. I would never go long and short like that.
Well, then I don't, I have done that before. I've been long the ES and a different contract month, and I've been long the ES and short the NASDAQ. In my live account, I'm like, I don't know which one to root for. Do I want the market to go up or down? So I feel like I hate it. I hate it.
Well, plus if you do that, you got to kind of second guess your whole trading strategy. Like, why would we get ourselves into that situation?
Hey, so Scott said they don't have a rule on that. It's just you can't be long the same ticker, long and short in two different accounts, which you can't do that in the CME in a live account. You're not able to do that. So anybody that complains about that rule, well, go take it up with the CME.
Yeah.
Because you can't do that in a live account either. I mean, if you do, they'll send you some nasty emails, I've been told.
Long oil and short NQ right now is those are both the same direction.
Yeah, so you're trying to double your win.
Yeah, so that would be doubling your that's not hedging. If you went long both right now, that would be hedging.
Yeah, you can DCA. They don't have a rule against it.
I highly recommend not doing that though.
I used to DCA it. Stream fixed that for me. That one Friday. So glad. Like that was not a fun day. Looking back on it, that was great. Yeah, you can long gold and short NQ. Even in most of prop firms allow that, but I wouldn't do it just to make sure you don't get caught up with some kind of BS. I think it's best just to be on one trade at a time, personally, but. Trying to come down here a little bit, moving slow. We never hit that 55 liquidity.
No, it kind of ran away from it. Swing day, on average, how much do we withdraw? That would be a negative number. If you want the average, and just being honest.
I was getting daily payouts earlier, but now, ever since I talked about building a buffer in Lucid, I went on a little drawdown. I talked to Jesse about it multiple times. We cried, I can't believe this is BS. He's like, shut up. Your day's not that bad.
Yeah, look at my day.
Yeah, he's like, shut up. Look what I did.
Yeah.
But I've almost blew these accounts up 3 times. And so far, I've been able to come back every single time. I almost got all my drawdown back. So I was getting daily payouts and Take Profit Trader not too long ago, every single day, every single day, every single day. Some days was more than others.
Yeah, you were on a good run on payouts on MFF there for a while too.
Yeah. So, and again, I started thinking about the money. Oh, this month I'm going to get this much. And then it all went, pew. All right, you got to calm down here a little bit. I started taking trades trying to hit a certain number and not, hey, this is a great trade. Like, nah, I gotta get this. Let me take it. And just didn't work out. So it happens.
All right, so NQ just hit its VWAP. Is it going to bounce or is it going to just flush through here?
It's going to flush.
See. I don't know. Crude's trying to come down a little bit. I'm looking at CL on a 5-minute chart. And it's trying to drop, but I don't know.
Well, hey, Brad, the average is always different. It just depends. And Apex is the only one where you can have 20 accounts. So most of the time I don't have a payout in all the accounts at one time. That'd be great. I'm sure that'll happen at some point, but usually it's this week I'm taking payouts from here, or maybe I'm taking payouts from 2 or 3 of them in one week, but I can't get payouts from all of them at the same exact day, or at least I haven't yet. They all have different payout thresholds and timelines in between payouts and stuff like that. And sometimes I get stupid. Nah, I don't want to take it yet. I'm going to build more of a buffer. So.
Skyball, good job. Past 10 evals.
Nice. Good deal. Good deal. Oh, we get a little bit more of a pullback here. Can we get it? Gold's down 45. Let's go look. Is the Nikkei open? I don't think Nikkei is open yet. Nikkei is going to open here at 11:30. I don't think it's open yet. Nope. HSI is back down 100.
What the heck is golfer of the night? Who's spamming the chat? This ain't a golf channel.
What do you mean, 4? It's one thing I'm not good at.
Yeah.
I'm good at a lot of things, but golf is not one of them. Where's it at? Let's go check. It's getting pretty darn full.
Oh, your pool?
Yeah. It's not.
I dare you to go jump in that bad boy.
Yeah, I was wanting to earlier. So bad. So bad. Like it's about to breach the tan ledge. I think tan ledge is only what, 4 or 6 inches deep, 8 inches, something like that.
Yeah.
Something like that.
Discord, no. Discord's full of scams and just bots and no.
And KD saying gap fill tomorrow. Let's go. Let's go. Is the ES going to make it down to that P point tonight?
Boy, that's down there.
Well, hey, you don't think yesterday at the close they were saying, wow, that's up there.
Exactly.
All we need to do is hear that there is going to be no further talks. The ceasefire is off. And then we'll be good. So.
Frank, that is the built-in Ninja Trader. It's called the regression channel.
Nice swing day. I don't have anything like that.
No.
Other than on YouTube. You can hit me up on X if you want. I may or may not see it. Yes. Even though we're going down here a little bit, the market's awful darn slow. Which, I mean, it's usually slow in Asia, but I want to hurry up.
Yeah, there's John. What's up, JB? Otherwise known as Jesse's favorite indicator. That's right.
Hey, John, what's up? Hey, John, Bob said that you're going to be taking over the show tonight.
Oh, boy. Hey, there's Randy, our new buddy.
Oh, hey, Randy, what's up? Let's see. I don't know how much longer I'm going to stay on.
No, I hear you, dude.
I'm hoping this NASDAQ just tanks to get down to at least 800 tonight. Because I'll be very good for my micros. I'm really upset I didn't put those other two back on today. When I went back up there. I said I was going to, and I didn't do it. Hey, John, what if I pay you 1 million imaginary money? I'll identify as paying them 1 million.
So Randy's in a micro short, looking for 24,980. Wow. Oh, that's the low of the session. All right, I could see it.
Hey, John, what about Sim 102? Is that good?
Yeah,
I can make it Sim 102. Just let me know. Over here in the States.
Scott's in New Zealand. Wow.
That's pretty cool. We get people from around the world.
Yeah. I'm surprised every time we do a roll call like that, like where's everybody from? I'm so surprised, all the countries and states and areas around the world. Crazy.
That's pretty neat. Like Jesse, it's still early. For me, it's late.
Yeah. Yeah. So Scott, I'm in California, West Coast. Yeah. Hey, John, Eric's offering to pay you 1 million pesos.
That might still be a good chunk of money.
There we go. Saudi Arabia, San Diego. Woo. Hey, Junior. Yeah. So, hey, Mike, do you mind pasting a link to the main channel?
Oh, yeah.
So, Junior Mike does a pre-market prep show every morning, and he trades into the New York session every day on the main YouTube channel. So he'll put a link in there real quick. There you go. So make sure you're subscribed over there, everybody.
Hey, John, 1 million pesos would be $57,298. Dang, that's good. I'd take that.
Robert, you're welcome. Look, Falal's in Minnesota.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure there is an Old Zealand. Just like we've got New York, New Jersey,
But do you have old York, Old Jersey?
No, I don't think they call them old, but yes,
They call them
they're
new.
they're cities from the old world where we all migrated from, I guess.
So, dang it.
Oh, cool, Junior. Yeah. I trade on a 12-6. Mike's got a 6-3 over there.
Trying to get crazy with this. I've been sitting in this ES for a while. I'm just gonna close it
Which one?
right here. ES. I'm just gonna close
Oh,
it.
that's a nice trade.
Yeah, I've been in it for a while. I was hoping to get more of a flush, get that money back, but I'm still off session highs. But at least I'm better than where I was.
Good for you, man.
I think you had your screen up when I did it. I think I was gonna get back in the Nasdaq. And I was like, no, I don't want to be in the same trade as he is.
Yeah. Well, that one worked out.
Yeah. All right, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and jump off, say goodnight. But real quick, let me see. If you guys still want to hang out, I'm gonna jump off the stream. I'll see you guys tomorrow. But there is somebody in here that also streams. If you guys want to check out his channel, you guys can go check him out right there.
Randy.
Yeah. So with that being said, guys, I am gonna get out of here. Take care. Have a good night. Hopefully, I'll see some of you guys in the morning. Take care.